kuganira nawe abaza kuba natuka yihi no mumba coaches abaresero team ya Mbarara City bakugiye mu Western Regional League bakagiteka mu Big League but so far results abwa mitoba emizano ebiri abase kuba naterezaho obuhanguzo mu rundu gumwe gol emwe yonka eya Eric Okol bamwe ombazani abine experience orukuzana team ya Kigezi Homeboys ebarakazana team ya Toro United. Coach nakwakira umurundo gunabe uzatayarwe
rwaseho kambanze no kubebaza batayare West akubasa kutubereraho ito amazina ganje ninye Abubakar Monge kandi coach wa Metoma abandize ko mu tournament zone ninye nabandize kufuna goro kafuna ubonero busatu so turyabamani no butwatwagire rubirize katwibirayo konkati nimbasubiza abagize bitu ninza kubafunira win ya kabiri so mutagire kandi nyebaza abagize bitu bamutoma aba basize kutwatiraho timwe je kagendo misho so erizoba no buhanguzo bwita
coach tugire ngo niki ekikuteganisa camp any injuries ezirumo mu camp of course inabazana babase ko bana bargayo abwa injuries tukarebayo engambo zitari zimwe na zimwe kumwaje kureto musani bakabazibira omusani bakani bamweta in fact hari umuzani Lazaro Muhindo Bwambare of course no umwe mu district ya Mitoma byabiri signing but Lazaro Muhindo Bwambare hagire kurije injury twareba batakubikiriza kuzanisa omuzani ogompaho any new injuries omu camp ya Mitoma
tukafuna challenge mbe munonga turufutandika n'umuzana yabyaryo munungi munonga wa KCCA omwami Lazaro no twabandire kusigninga konka yiza yafuna mukire kace yafuna yinjare kandi mbe munonga so kutwabiye turyaho yaterra ya rya kitanda hende kiri gufa konka twasigninga wabandi konka tubakashika Lazaro because Lazaro akari mistake ndizo kandi na challenge ituriye tusanga nkaba coaches abana nibizo mu kampu akire kace so kiretera kampu abana ba training akire kace kituretera abana batakoraki koze nibatweta umuntu akwibiri so umuntu akwibira abana toka akagira ki hamwe babagire nko kunywa marwa abantu bariro mu bakazi so nkare ni nsaba nkamutoma district abakurembeze bitu batwereza kire at least mu kampu batwetemu kumaranka nka wiki yone kwandi ni mbasubiza ngo iki timu yabe bonire kubana nkasayininga abana bato kandi nabana babacyaro nabana bamasomero so ni mbasubiza ngo ninza kubaretera kikopo
tine mubirize inabana bakufika 10 bakoruga just on one team even nubo bembire group stage ya group day tugire ngo eki nico kibongira man group stage change kandi imwe nk'abantu nk'abamtom mwetebekanisize muta district ya Rubirizi tukumanya ngo nubo bembire table even nangwa abwa good difference of course nubo batebire goals jamwengi bakusinga muzano gwabana goals ibiri omuruziro tugire ngo echo nikikoma omuzane nyuma ningamba kireta rwa kitandara
rwa kitandara tubaza kireta yo because challenge kibakoze nabo bakimanya ni manyangu hati tabakakireta rwa kitandaro ahantu batekwa kubabonerereza ntutekwa kuyawo wini because ni manyangu barifa baturetera tubo bari abatwibire ninda bareta barifu experience ekibakorana bakimanya ni manyangu tuza kuya wini
so tugire ngo imwe Mitoma tumine mukwetombeta aba referees today tugire ngo hino kumwagura mu ba referee
bana tukagura ba referee konka Rubirizi buriye kagura ba rifu ekintu kiyakozire na hati no buba kukweretera akatambi
oromuno ugamba aha TV coach oine evidence kugira ngo Rubirizi ekagura ba referee
yes kurigirira ki rifu yakozire kiriya nkirebuka ngo akagura ba rifu because omwana karyo mu offside nabahagize bo abarubirizi bo nkaba katigama ngunga y'ikigorete kabene baro so nicyo ngirira ngo akaguzirwe
so mwina kata
akatambi twine amasumu tugine
okay numuranga ki ogwa kubeno kuteraho management ya Ankole
management ya Ankole Cup nani mbasaba ngo batereze omukomiti y'aba rifu ahandi ba komiti ba rifu bo ni konka timwe nunje yakubire netware kikopo nosange kachitwara abwa rifu ba rifu kugira ngo babaguzuru
okay for time to expecting get your prediction
mu expect Mitoma ya kutware kikopo
so to kupinga scoring many goals but you expect to win
eri kutera goal
Okay, tuzakuretaho a few moments later our coach of course tuneganira n'abantu benshi. Mr Coach nza kuba ninkurekura nganireho n'abandi tubase kuba tugumizamo no mpira hagati ya district Jimpa ya Mitoma bakuzanaho na district ya Lubirizi turi arwa Standala Stadium. Of course nibenja abo tuneganira nabo kuruga mu district ya Mitoma sebo nakwakira mbe uzatayari we Steven uza kutugambira amazina gawe kandi imwe Mitoma mekanisiza omuzano ogumpa even akachiko nokora onkachi akachika kamto
Munonga amazina nabanyeta ayino mu Salamusoni kandi ni political assistant wa retired Major General Kaindo Tafire area MP Abgaru Hindankishaza mu Mitoma district Uchire akachiko ka Mitoma district team kuruga obiyazo mu edition omunaka ankole ka page nkaturaho ninkoraka team manager nakoraho nka treasurer kandi hatobwa hatu ndonka advisor akachikwa
atugirengu district ya Mitoma of course bakatambura kubi omwazaho buhwejo rero kwatera gore mu mudisiro tugirengu sofa echo imenka team kikabegesa kikana mwetebekanise muta abo muzano gumpa
tukazarubirizi niyo twatayire ahasande wire kandi katutera goremwe arusa kutwarigireyo immediately twagaruka twayetebekanise ahabwo mpiro gogwerizo ahabwo kuba twasanga ngo abana bitu bakazanagereviriza konka byo mpiro kubiri twahendera tukuluzingo mpiro konka hato gumpira twire tugenda so abana bitu base kubareta kare bazo mu kampu batunga training erukumara kandi nitekateka ngo erizo semerere kubantu tunga win ahabwa timu eitwineje erizo yalo
so far match day ya kashatu aba district ya Mitoma of course muzano go kubanza nagusinga mu muriziro mu kuzana na district ya Buheju ogwa kabiri babasinga district ya Rubirizi emweziro murumu n'umugaruka kuzanaho na district ya Rubirizi edanya kaso tugirengu echa home advantage nikibayesa obhangs
of course ekintu cha home advantage tokachi ruling out abo kuba abana kuba mbazana baryomuka bahora bar confident munonga kandi batunga na fan base yabo usanga yabahagera umucyo kuba mbakora munonga so ni teka ngo abo kugira ngo turyomuka omukatu ino home advantage mpango munonga abo kubasa kutera gitimu ya Rubirizi.
Okay, anye murumu of course ni tano na group sesindi buri team erukuba eryomuka nesingo muzano guhayo Rubirizi wagishango muka nesinga Mitoma wagishango muka nesinga Buheju the same akakoryo karinkai numutina travels tugirengu financial problems na zone causing aho results
ekintu kukiri kityo buri team so far mu group yitu turimu district isatu teams ishatu kandi buri team tureberene koraje ahaka so ekintu ejo nitekateka ngo buri team na yeteguraje munonga yaberyo muka nerwanaje munonga yaberyo muka taro kandi kakuriye kugera nkariyo mutina kandi kindi nabwe abana kutravelinga kurwo mwanya kuzo mugundi of course nabagenda bino kafia nkabasambi na nabahagizi so nubahurira batakwema tero mucyono cyo bakubamba kora so nitekateka ngo buri team ko kugisanga hayo ninkuko kwa wasangiye bwo wayo nobo to kubasa kujibinga neteka kwekarakasa erebwe ngo yagireta yakukanga yakubinga so umuntu kumusingira hakwe umutimuze umunanka mu group yitweke ndebere kikumire kandi twe kabanya-Mitoma erizoba abo kuko mpira ngo numataringa cyango the very moment twaguruzinga ntu twasigaze mpira gumwe gwa Buhezu kandi tukutaye ya Buhezu of course kutravelinga kurga Mitoma kuzabuhezu na no kweteka ebintu ebyo byona tubukabara tokabara kubiconsidering.
Okay, yebare munonga tuzakoyengeza after echeka chitu echo kubanza tuganira obyenje tukuleta a few moments later of course abinyuma basa kubana muza numurgayo n'umutsubiza obhanguze reka tubase kubana turgayo ntegereza omuzano ogumpa district ya Mitoma bakutayisaho district ya Rubirizi arwa Standala Stadium. Of course on background ninjano rebamu abazandi John Rupe Mugwei no buzandi team ya Kigezo Boys of course nubomwe ombine experience of course batandikaho district ya Mitoma of course abazana ba Okur Eric Bona baragaye Mitoma but you know coach aba district ya Rubirizi abasa kubana tugambira bingi Rubirizi first match kabatambura kubi maza on second match nimwe mwasinga omuka niki ekirimu nikikozingaho those things kushanga ngu district obundi omuka ninkoraje nabandi yawe ninkora kubi tugarake tu expecting eri izoba omurawe kugira ompira nukubatambura kuba barubiriza
amazina ganje ni banyita mwalimu technical director abo Rubirizi district football team kandi ngaruka nkora nka assistant coach district ekibuzo kiwambuza ninza kukigaruka muntu burizo noreba nko kubori omuka notekwa gukora jaba kuba nobo inabahagizi ombwindi nobo ino muzani wi 12 so nico nkuteka kugira nko kwizo muka omuhagizi ade twiza nabahagizi konka batusinga obwindi konka ni mpaka kasa ndi kubamanyisa nti erizoba itwitwe byo tubyine twenda ku record kugikora ki mitoma ikatera buwezwa konka ejo record twenda kugenda tubatera nkai omukuru wabo ekyo kiri okay ekyo ki direct ntubasa kukikora
mukatayira bwejo yabasinga omuzano gwabo obi yaberyo muka sofa niyo ebembire ekimeza echa group D of course kabasinga goals ibiri omuri 0 weakness zanyu imenka district ya Rubirizi rinka
weakness tukaika twazitereza
okutaba okwabazani kwetaba omuri FIFA Big League qualifiers kikaba kostinga mnongo
kikwenda kusobora chamani orugendo rwa bwezo abana bakafuna fatiki already rwatera mu kutwabe tumanyire kare twagezere turarayo bena abasambi bitu babarinkahi bari mu form ndungi konka abasamba butwine mabuka kaseje saha butwine bibaza kukoraje munonga enyimaho tukatwine abasamba babire bataruka kandi tubakozereki bagarukire
so to expecting obuhanguzi aba district ya Rubirizi ninga tugaruka to expecting echa home advantage
echa home advantage kirgo ejo record twenda kuchenda konke all in all ebintu byona noberekeroha mukama ruhanga Allah ni wakumanya kimera fata abo kwani yetine angepeka
imenga team yes coaches mene tactics but abinji numwebembeza ruhanga tugire ngo ruhanga no wakuzana kapira
ruhanga rwakuba ni wari final konkani nyenda kubakakasa
as a coach you must be having tactics to win the match then ebintu nibiye
ekikwenda kumanyisa twetebekanisizeje kandi ogwo mpira nyesiga ndi kumanyisa nabahagiza abo mukabu twasigayo na timu narongo akuteka mu center na nabahagizi bona na district okwarra hamwe tuza kuyayo mpira okuka 2-1
shoboraho omurebe wa Tayari West B akire nkaka omushoboro injuries eziro mu camp of course achamere tuksiba any new injuries om camp ya Rubirizi district
injury twine zamani oyiro twina bana aba basegarura nkai abasegarura isono twina mwana ka Yasini isubuga abasegaruka Ramusi then twina hu kamanda twina mu injury ziri ezilya tonkaba sandbona bari mu mbera ndungi
yabara munonga ogwe nomwe coaches aba district ya Rubirizi basakwa no mwetaho mwalimu ninga teacher of course abench numanya even chambra rasters nomwe kurebaho ya Rubirizi abazana benje bazana team ya rasters kumanya bakakoryo karinkai abana kujangu na assistant coach aba team jimpa ya district ya Rubirizi but abazana benje baza kurebaho nko kunda base kuba ninduga ni kwisa lineups of course bazana team ya chambula rasters of course aturumu tuza kurebaho first half yitu ambeza Tayari West TV making a sure kujangu abasa kuba ninduga no tambulanice nebinje butura base kuba nturga into kwisaho making a sure kujangu watfuringa channel bisha tunkaga na mkaga tufuringa channel benakaga na mnana tufuringa channel vira shatunitano ezoneza start times even tufuringa channel yarikumanya ya 077 that is Zuko amena bishat atana mkaga ejon channel ya Azam making a sure kujangu abasapana ugayo no tambulanice ambiho eza Tayari West TV of course kache waza kurewa lineups okutuvine Nyakasoba nkoku district ya Mtoma abargayi bakatayisaho omuzano gumpango kubatandikaho omupira batendeta Mugerwa Davis of course nomwe ombazani abakuzanira Vipers junior team even ikimbere jaze number 18 meto Mugerwa Davis ogo musigazi awaba ochamizika ono mpaka iza USSA even okamizika ona Uganda under 17 ya jiro mchikopo chesiona even bine inomu cha Edwin nomuzano wa Bushen Elite ikimbere jaze number 13 then bine Agaba Martin captain ogweni teacher taine na team Agaba Martin Benji Manywe captain wa team Ejimpa. Then bine Kaborera Emmanuel no St. Lawrence University. Of course I team Jose Jazen number 4. Then bine John Ruby Mugwe Nomzano wa team Achigez Homeboys Azure Jazen number 3. Then bine Bako Gerard Nomzano wa 6 o'clock. He's a good midfielder Bako Gerard. I team Jazen number 6. Then bine Kasigas Junior Kala Elvis no St. Kagwa Ogom Sigas Numanya Bakwangao Echikopo USSA Pro Games 1. Of course Junior Elvis no mwe Ombazani Watiro performance ya man team Ejimpa ya St. Kagwa. Then bine Akor Eric Nomzano wa team ya Achigez Homeboys. By the way, first half of the season akazoya tera trials akanaga team ya Tour United. Of course abasekwana gana joining officially akagita team ya Achigez Homeboys. Akor Eric Nomzano wo kubanza kuteba goal wo kubanza omukikopo echa Ankole Cup na sana team ya Achigez Homeboys Azure jersey number 8. Then Emmanuel Anyamo Nomzano wa team ya KCCA jersey number 41. Khalid Fazi Nomzano ari Ijumo progressive na team jersey number 10. Even asana team ya Eagle West FC. Then Senchuma Plan Nomzano wa Bubanzi SSC ime abakfuruinga impaka is USSA Azure jersey number 15. Then Abine Lochas of course namwe ombali amba substitutes still bine Batina Andrew Ishaka Reigns anatana Ijumo then bine Kasigas Matov Umar then Sasra Chris Shabwa Brighton Nomzana Ishumere Abwanzi then Kato Amon na Kagumi Paul. Of course, so kubana bagana batandikana district ya Mtoma. Then itwini Abubakar Mwenga ujika guruwe coach wa district ya Mtoma na tenika Ijumo progressive even na Igora West FC regions even abasa kubana bagana bakurifanga basa region even angwa na team ya Mbarara City numumba chambere kuchia West Region League bakajireta FIFA Big League. Then waza kureba kwa cheka cha district Ejimpa Yalbiri Sibine na Mara Evaristo namsana team ya 6 Okro kana goalkeeper. Then Babine Steven bine Mujisha Brand namsana chambere Sas bine Ronald Kayesu jersey number 18. Then Johnson Aturinawe Nomzani he is a center back team ya soka club Volcano Basakwa no Jeta Mutorede even he is a starter wa a team ya soka club Volcano bine Conrad Senjo Gera Nomzani wa Intebe UPPC. Then bine Kasigas Omayo Ahmed even Nomzani Intebe UPPC bine Kato Hassan Bar Noah Bar FC na Intebe jersey number 14 bine Sunday William. Of course he is untouched Omzano Sunday William. Of course Satairo Mutumbi Samuel mnonga then bine Mukongota Robert jersey number 11 na Sandra Omurigi ya Rwanda batubigara satatu barije because akazana team ya Bull FC making sure wabatsakwana urugano tabrani ce a full time of course tubase kwa turgaye tujukushaho Beckham the sports master na nomukuru Altmaka Louis Osbat turi hano ya Adgat Standala Stadium. Then kacheka chomba substitute aba district Ejimpa ARBDC yikangubine Sebowa Nico ninga shinika Sebowa jersey number 19 bine Alera Joseph jersey number 20 then Ilan Musingisi Noah Amus storage even ansana team ya Chambula Wata ila Kasigas Karano Mizika Ishumeri ya St. Kagwa. Then Edson Aheba nomsana wa Chambula Wata jersey number 10 adia substitutes. Then Mateka Chuma Anwa Chambula Wata bine Shakib Nasir then bine Mutsha Derek then bine Omkolo Makasimba John nomsani Aria Ari Katerra Heroes jersey number 13 na pia Mkama Arnold jersey number 4 ndiko bargayo bakabasa kubanaga wargayo n'abatsandira batso negashin batandika batso aho team ya Leveres district making sure kugira ngo wasakwana urugano tamurani to because tureba ba center row praise baturika center row praise because shana basatwara go wargayo batandika mpira baturika district Ejimpa ya Mtoma Magera David Right junior team, Mateka na Mari Varisa. Keeper team ya Victor Oslo to jersey number 22. Of course, Arukuri Jumukura. Of course, Rika Kiwasukwa Turgari Silinda, Gumsa Chandravika. Sangu Nisova Edia Nyumawacho. Kibetineo, Uchkopo, Echimpa, Echankwe Cup. Kibetineo, Echankwe Cup. From a district team, Ejimpa, Eyaka Shari. Boxing out is six record Emrusha Habata team. Remember, City Boxing district Ejimpa Waparisha Sugusha. Created the big function. Give out both of the Ogwet Gerard. Boxing district Ejimpa Wapara. So far, After group Barra district or rather Barra City. Hiran Kugawa Sakwano Brigade the Tankola Yuka Group and district Ejimpa Yes, time from making all that. The teacher, senior teacher, Agaba Martin. Of course, no Mumbat and Common District Jimpaya Mitoma Bina Mukedwa Davis and the goalkeeper Aho Viper Junior team at Kamadeba no Mumpakesa USSA Ball Games 1, a national championship for Mukedwa Davis, Tamadeba under 17, Uganda Cubs, a team here representing Uganda, that is Uganda Cubs, Karayum Kurukmaka Mukedwa Davis. Then Binaka Sigas Maketa John Ribu Mikori no Musana Timia Chigas Homeboys, Bona Batan Chad District Jimpaya, Toma Binom Sigas Maka Anyama Emmanuel Anyama, of course, no Musana team, Erikumanyakeya, KCCA, former Karunju football player. Of course, former Karunju football player, Anyama Emmanuel, Eventine Akor Eric. The first goal scorer in this edition, Akor Eric. Of course, Akana Sana team at Toro United. Even Sofana Sana team at Case Homeboys, Akor Eric, just number 6 Aba district. Yamitom, of course, the Bitarba Kwatamukachaba district, Jipayar Bidisi. Chikangu Bidis, Nabobi, Namuba, Manmasya, Binabasanaba, Mukongota Roberts, former Blue FC player. Of course, Sana team, Kuromi Yangedi at Gwanda, Ente Sales FC. Kuromi Yangedi at Gwanda, even Akasana team, Yamukura, Yasana Sunrise, Mete Mukongota. Of course, the Bizarba Kwatamukachi, but take a moment to go to Panagana Quatakrij Munonga. Asakwano Metam Kurukumakanamala Evaristo, just number 22. Goalkeeper 6 o'clock in Western Region League. Mete Namara Evaristo, 6 o'clock a football player. English goalkeeper Namara Evaristo, just number 22 at District Jimpaya, Bilis, of course. Acheka Cheba Mukwatemu Akambayaho. Of course, live and tired with TV. Making a shock to Jabwa Sakwan Rugano Tablet to make up the sports battle rules all but because Sanwatayar FM right now. Of course, it is Tayar Media. Tayar West TV, Tayar FM, when it's FM, of course, making a shock to Jabwa Sakwan Rugano Tablet. One that's beauty products, one that's always wonderful, one that's cosmetics, making a shock to Jabwa Sakwan Rugano, one that's Rondele Asantaiza, Asakwan Runda Sabuni. Yorondela Majuta Wonders Beauty Products. Of course, the sponsors of Africa, 100 million sponsorship. And so it's up. Prize money. Baba Sakwana Rugan Batsquata Mukrutinonga. So making a shock Jangwa Sakwana Rugan White in their products. It's a wonders beauty product. Wonders always wonderful. But the Kago Kipana every son at Kago Kick. Question with Albagan Batika Mumutin, Barunda Justina Batavinum Kurkumanya Sand, rather Baguma Ronat. I'm free and with that time, but I'm going to kick. Bakuma Ronat Daba District Jimpaya Bilisi. Bakuma Ronat. Chicago Bilisi, some group T, of course, Bakasinga, where she goes to the room shop. Hey, Tenu Bilisi. In fact, Arbinis Bakasinga Mitoma Kore Momurusha, attend to whatever district they are Bilisi. Boxing home where she goes to the room zero. Then Mitoma Kareba Boxtera whole district where she go to Momurusha, home fast match. That is Mutore FC player and again Aquatamukache. Mutore FC football player. Tapano Meta Makabaguma Rona, rather Meta Johnson Surinawe, Motore FC football player, very, very composed. Of course, no more Bayamber team Mutore boxing up Poma, Corpaya to the Fupa Big Drink. Of course, Tomusani Kakaija Sane, at Kalibaruk Teba Core, Emoyon Kayawang boxing up Poma FC Akor Eric, the goal scorer in their fast match. About the fast match, the fast goal of Anchor Cup, Akor Eric. Matarakabatanka Conrad Central Kerete number 8. Hard screen ya Conrad Central Muna Iretum Kona Jata Abaochi. Hatikuma Spray for Abaochi. Kanomzana Timia Etebe UPPC. Conrad Central Kira Cinema was another finger at Babidi. Our team Aya Etebe UPPC Central Kira Conrad. When Anaka Tigas Mete Amayo Ahmed. Pakarakan Batera Patin to Mnoga Patamukache. Akatiba Atakum. Chacha mupira nuguria lugwanga rufuna chatuwacha wewe bahajizi. Let's wait and see If you can watch the front back very well, let's wait and see. Referee na chati no call. Referee na chati haro kori hona. Hikosu mitomba baba kwa siro rumbo runjimnonga jese number 6. Wata jese number 5. Basa kwa na umweta Arjuna Rukaba Elvis. Mamuta na Saint Pabwa jese number 5. Of course, akasiga zikaka kwa tile counter taka runjimnonga kwa district Jimpaya Mtoma. Elvis of course mpira kwa tera poro kwa garika kwa rukamo. Batera poro kwa garika kwa rukamo. Arjuna Rukaba Elvis. It's a prayer. Saint Kakwa. Mpaka ya za USSA Paul Games 1 even a national championship. Of course tubyara batambire kuri Mbilonga national championship. Of course kati za turebe referee na Gambachi center referee na chati Harugoriona na chati Harugoriona batoreko mukuru kimanyika mukongoti Robert Mabu FC player at Esteres FC in Rwanda. Aruna chati we wacha wewe Harugoriona kwa district Jimpaya Mtoma. Of course finally atizo turebe mbasa kusumura goal kick. Turebe goalkeeper kumanyika Evaristo Namara Evaristo. Of course nabachangu yatunga bo butabati doctors batawo muchemba changu Namara Evaristo. Because he's the goalkeeper at 6 o'clock. Mpaka za Western Regional League. Muna chati na tungamu injured. Of course, for Mutile far post. He wasn't there. Of course, it was a far post. But mupira kwa tira polo kwa garika kwa shore mupira kwa Elvis. Arjuna Rukaba Elvis. Kache wata kuleba koche omu district ya Mitoma. Kasana kabakali pasil. Of course, the products za USSA Paul Games 1. How are Ijumo progressive? Kache. Berebera screen yawe echompaho. Of course matureka amkero kumanyaka Elvis. Takani yamuna coach Abubakar Muwonge. Of course one of the experienced coaches Abubakar Muwonge. Of course nomwe ombire Mbara City FC omu Western Region League. Bakajireta ho omurufufa Big Creek Abubakar Muwonge. Of course, fana tendeka Ijumo progressive Abubakar Muwonge. Senior coach aba district Jimpaya Mtoma. Of course, no more experienced coaches, even the coaches have been experienced. Even atendeka hu team ka Igara West FC. Mpaka isa regionals Igara West FC of the regionals. Nikono kuma Abubakar coach. Nigash coach Abubakar Muwonge. Of course, Following Impaka is a Pupa Big Creek. Of course, it's not your new name by the way, it's not a new name of Muktukwawe. In case, following a Pupa Big Creek, no more by the team Yambara City. Could you promoting Bakatiko Mpaka is a Pupa Big Creek? Matraka Anyama Emmanuel Jason number 41. Sofia Jetimbeya Declan Price, former player at Kalokalunju Football Club. Emmanuel Anyama just up for Uganda Plains. Recently summoned. I've got championship of course champion 2024 because Bakam Samuninga squad. Even he was a starter in that friend versus Ihanga area Senegal. Emmanuel Anyama, number 41. Of course, 7 goals in 2024-2025 season. Even about team ya KTC Kogita mpaka ita Stanbic Uganda Cup final. Pakatinga team ya Vipers. Because akayamba team ya KTC Kogita Uganda Cup final. It's at 2024 Tetware Kadiba Techam. Emmanuel Anyama bakshora echikopo echa Stanbic Uganda Cup. Bakisinga team ya Vipers. Ebisana batoreka chase number 5 Elvis of course na isana asoma mupira na gusoma tabusoma Elvis na asoma kuri mnogo mupira Arjuna Rukaba Elvis na gusoma area line na shara mutwani na jati down shara mutene za USA na shara mutwa muteka baja mutire kiro tsambure mbakrotinga kuri mnogo mupira barubirise nibeta barundo hana bagarika mbakwata mukache omukoro kumaka John Ruby migoro mpira na gwata mudugwiza msaini mba John Logo kishita John Ruby Mugweri, one of the senior players. Our team at Chicago's Homeboys, of course, he's the captain. Our team at Chicago's Homeboy, John Ruby Mugweri. He is their captain alongside 2K James, goalkeeper. Of course, our team at Chicago's Homeboys, he's their captain, John Ruby Mugweri. Crossing over Piranha Ryan. Our team at Jimpaya ARBDC. Let's wait and see. Bachangu. Hello, throw in. Batolika Sigasi. hasa kuba n'umwitaho Kaburira Emmanuel shikamupirano yaramba bateka mutejeze namba tubasa kuba n'umwita Brian kwata mupura jeze namba 8 basa kuba n'umwitaho Conrad Senjogera tera pasi n'ijibunangani ya line Bizana barunda umbongocha amukorera kumanyanka mukongocha nakusuba kuri umurongo mbira jeze namba 11 mukongocha Rwanda no prayer kuriya umurege ya Rwanda bizambagarikana bakwata mukache bateka mpirano ya line n'ibizambagarikana bakwata mutejeze namba 6 mweta mukuru Amayo Ahmed umusanante b'uyu PPC basa kwa no jeta Gaddafi amupaketa Uganda sometimes a Premier League of course piano goshka batoreka gasiga jeze namba 3 Turino Johnson Homsan wa Mutore FC Ninga Shumutore Football Club mpaka is a FIFA big league so far subject to change Ninga name to change to Soccer Club Volcanoes of course niyo mamuru kumanyanka Captain Afa Mugisha Ruchakasi President wa Mutore Football Club mbizamba torka Elvis mbizamba kwata mukachi what a lovely defense jeze number 2 na kwata mukachi Mugisha Brand Homsan wa Chamberlain Rastas batoreka Okor ele kompira nagarikana guteka Ireba district jimpai ya Mchoma bajangu no goshka mkono kumanyika jeze namba 2 Mugisha Brand Homsan wa Chamberlain Rastas Pendinga kurunji mnonga kasiga zikaka musijira ka akasiga zika Elvis Wete Ashuna Rukaba Elvis he's a player to St. Kakwa mpakeza USSA Ball Games 1 champions wakata mukache jeze namba 14 ba district ya Arbiri basa kwa nomwetaho Hassan Kato Hassan Nomsan wa Mbale FC kwata mukache pura jeze namba 6 bagaramba kwata Mitoma mwete Bako Gerard Bako kwata mukache jeze namba 14 crossing over finish pia nukuzana kusahile jeze namba 14 basa kwa nomwetaho Hassan Kato nimtana timu ya Mbale FC nomtana timu ya Mbale FC omupupa Big Creek Mbale FC basa kwa nomwetaho Kato Hassan jeze namba 14 Coach Samana Gagarminchi tayari WCP basa kuba no tufurunga social media platforms zetu tufurunga X amukisibito kwa X basa kuba no jeta Twitter tere comment yawe nohoro kusinga mpira Mitomba bakusana na district ya Arbirisi pata mpora mukuru kumanyika matching hakaba kandi bakata mukache mukuru kumanyika Okoro El Kadiansi jese number 8 abusana timbya Chiges Homeboys Mitomba of course bine free kick Hizo free kick abade free kick ya Mtoma batoreka jeze na Borera Emmanuel utana St. Lawrence University Kaborera Emmanuel Borera Pesingo mupira pura mizabarunda Emmanuel Nyamata kubona bateka umute Okoro Eric bagarakana bakwata kwa Cheheta jeze namba 7 pia bagarakana mizamba kumukwatango John Ruby Muperi tupatingo mpira pura Bako Gerard 6 o'clock Bako Gerard crossing mupira bizaba sana mukubi akategeza Elvis nikizana kama musiga Elvis harialani crossing mupira bizana bakateka refu na jatu wacha wewe ibitamba bagarakana bakwata mukache bachango mpira no gokika Machango pia nogo kushika katika kote still Elvis Ashuna Lugaba Elvis that's number 5 akasega kama nyompira tentava Ashuna Elvis you can't even imagine he's a USSA product or Uganda a secondary school association Uganda secondary schools association USSA he is a product of St. Kappa Samba suru kompia no go shikari ya line so far 2 minutes half Samba teka umute kwata mpira Okoro Ek Jarakarba kwa bacheze namba 6 watakuwa na mwitaho Amayo interview UPPC player Amayo Achangu no go shika Amayo again Hada Okoro Ek crossing mpira Anyama Emmanuel na Sharamutani Anyama Bakwese ngo pamba na Elvis Kasuiza turamba garakamba kwa tamu jese number 7 Ronald Bakuma passing mpira mkuli mnonga Elvis na ishana dati zamshare minimanya Steve mupira amba kwa tamu kache Bakuma hadi ya line Bakuma watambura mpora bajango mpira no goksha akasiga skill jese number 7 Bakuma Ronald at the Chamber Rastas he's a Chamber Rasta he is a Rasta indeed Ronald Kampira pura tena bafatin batakuba no mwetaho Edwin Aino Mujuni kasingo mupira pura Edwin Krembisa mba musirika chigo Edwin yishkanga abahagize badiyo mu chine benshi yo kati very much tete number 13 Aino Mujisha Edwin
Of course, ladies and gentlemen, of course, entire West TV, Louis Osbert, hamwe na Beckham, the sports master. Ladies and gentlemen, mupira nechikopo echa Ankoleka hagati ya Mitoma district hamwe na Narubirizi district. Mpolapa kubata ayibira we na Munonga adachika eya mheru mwana wa chokuru chirise bisha matamula ba Mitoma bakorosingo tira final baguchiredinga bisha gwatambula gwaza hell neza kuba agolo kick ya Lubirizi district neza kuba agolo kick referee inechera munaka. Ladies and gentlemen, shayona you have to remember tuli omo half time pira guchiri 0-0 pira guchiri 0-0 acha icharwa chitandala omuli Mitoma district side za Bitereko. Abali TV, thank you so much mubali Munonga kubasaka ni muleba Tayalo West TV hamwena nokubasa kuba ni Hajira amajitaka Wonders fisha basumula omupira mulungi Munonga mitwe bakwata mugwija gwata mulaba Mitoma kapitano aluko mwanyanka in fact yabali Martin pira bakwata mugwija gwata mulaba kwa Zahel neza kuba a throw in yabanywane bitu aba Lubirizi district. Lubirizi and so far they are trying very hard okuwasa kwano bapushinga kujango mpira bakakuteka box bisha batamula ba Mitoma mitwe bakwata mu gwisha gwaza omu midfield again bagufuna abanyone itaba Lubirizi abali musambi aluko mwanyanka Kayez bagufuna omu midfield gwatamula mpola again Pogba wa Mitoma na gwata misha gwazo musambi aluko mwanyanka Edwin Mitoma Edwin wateka mu throw pass Pogba bamana mesa pira gwisha gwatamula gwa Gender Hell neza kuba throw in ya Mitoma bashko mpira gwisha gwatambula again bisha bakuleka bashildinga mukurunji Munonga omusambi alukumanya Ronald Kayensu wa Lubirizi district shot number 18 yabasa kuba na gushildinga mugwisha gwatambula gwa Gender Hell neza kuba what we call goal kick pira no kusumula kwa banyana bitu aba Lubirizi district batoleka goal kipa wa Lubirizi alukumanya Namala Evaristo Namnaza kusumula amupira anytime from now. Namala Evaristo yasuma mpira gwisha gwatambula Munonga mitwe bakwata mukurunji Munonga aba Mitoma ne bashildinga mpola shot number 6 wa Mitoma ya shildinga mupira gwisha gwatambula gwa Gender Hell mamweta Bako Gerald na kusambila mkarabeji ya 6 o'clock. That is Bako Gerald for you. Shot number mukaga yabanyone bitu aba district ya Mitoma pira bakutandika mpola aba Mitoma bakuteko midfield bagwarezo musambi kumanywanka Elik Akal bakwata mukurunyi Munonga shot number 8 Elik Akal yakwata mugwisha gwa Zahel Elik Akal yakwata mugwisha gwa Zahel na kusambila muchigezi Homeboys. Remember chigezi Homeboys zakwazijiliwa omuchikopo echa Uganda Premier League season ya 2026 2027. That is chigezi Homeboys for you. Ebireri omuli FIFA Peak League referee yabasa kuba na unaweza kuba throw in ya Mitoma omusambira kumyaka Edwin yashiko mpira gwisha gwatambula final 10 bakwatemu aba Lubirizi batoleka omusambira kumyaka Edwin wa Mitoma district anakushika mpira anytime from now. Pira nogo kushika kwa Mitoma district Ankole Cup. Ladies and gentlemen, live and kiria charwa chitandala Tayalo West TV bashko mpira gwisha gwatambula box ya Lubirizi again bijabano baba no mpira bashildinga pola bakwata mukurunyi Munonga Mitoma na bashildinga basaba ka back pass bagrupiga mpira bakusona gwisha gwatambula gwa Gender Hell referee na gabakona referee yabasaba na gabakona. Ladies and gentlemen, halo musambi alukumanywanka Enyama Emmanuel yabatire fimbo yabatire nyanda ya mani Munonga pira gwisha gwatambula hasamuka deflection kache referee yabasa kuba na gabakona ya district ya Mitoma district ayidukambira binekona Mitoma district ayidukambira binekona nindeba bajiza kwasa kwa nabe sortinga on box halimo pushinga na Munonga box referee najeza kuwasa kwa na kulinga kugira ngo baka kwasaganya nshonga kona any time from now kona mbatole komsambi alukumanywanka Anyama Emmanuel shot number 41 one of the good players so far at team ya district ya Mitoma. Of course binaba sambi like for Bako Gerald was 6 o'clock shot number 6 aside ya Mitoma. Those are the good players so far out in our district ya Mitoma. Kona indu kabla yabanyone bitu aba Mitoma bine kona anytime referee na bajatu bamulisira okache alimo kusindika box yabanyone bitu aba Lubirizi referee shot number 14 wa Lubirizi Alkumanywanka Kato Hassan. Of course anajiza kwasa kuna sindika maboksi ya Lubirizi. Referee abasako na mweta kugira ngo akaso tingenshonga mpola corner anytime from now. Bakuleta corner aside y'abanyone bitu aba Mitoma District nimobine corner indukambla Mitoma District. Ladies and gentlemen, bale mnonga bali amikutu etali mananemwe bisha baleta corner box ya abanyolita barubirizi mitwe pira bakwedinga kushagwa tama kwa kwenye mnonga. Ladies and gentlemen, baona abanyone bitu barubirizi kushagwa tama again kito zanyo ka referee yabasako na free kick y'abanyone bitu abalubirizi District. Hello Musambi wabanyone bitu aba Mitoma Alkumanywanka Khalid fakti yabali Asenkuma Brian shot number 15 wa Mitoma yabasako na sana mukubimba tole ko Musambi wa Lubirizi. Grand permanent tablet yo kurunji mnonga free kick yabanyone bitu aba Lubirizi District. Louis Osbert against David Beckham the sports master. Mtwaleza kurunji mnonga Tayalo West TV Bishop crossing of Pirabunji Mnonga Balubirizi Mitoma Kwatemo Mitoma Wijagwa Tambra Kwarga Kurunji Mnonga Kenda Baina Balubirizi Bagufana Kurunji Mnonga William Wano William Barmanabela Kurunji Mnonga Pirabujagwa Tambla Kwazael William Sunday shot number 41 wa Lubirizi District. Tajerizo kuwasa kwa na hata box ya Mitoma final Pirabagu defendinga aba Mitoma Kujagwa Tambla Kwazael Neza kuba throw in ya banyone bitu aba Lubirizi District. Bine a throw in logo kushka bash kontra kujagwa tambla kenda barondoa mamwita Robert ya kwatamba crossing kwa pira box ya banyone bitama Mitoma wana bitwa kipa ya kwatamba kujagwa tambla refali ya wasakona jirangu neza kuba hamauka foul box ya banyone bitama Mitoma kipa wa Mitoma Mugerwa Davis injikango na argo mkabe ja Vipers Jet Academy ya Vipers mamwita Mugerwa Davis ya kwa siribu mpira final bija amukola uka foul neza kwa free kick pass mpira Gwijagwa Tambla 1-2 mite kwa tambanyone bitaba Lubirizi bagu defending Gwijagwa arga box ya Mitoma bagu defending again Gwarga Lubirizi baguteka mukichwa kwa Tambla kurunji mnonga Lubirizi ba holding on midfield nkitozanyo ka referee na Jack Tambretine chiro bisha ba Tambla bakora mukunji mnonga mpira bagufuna biyanga fakta banyona bitaba district ya Mitoma radha Mitoma binetro inaidukambla Musambi Alkumanywanka kapitano Martin yashiko mpira Gwijagwa Tambla bakwata bakurunji mnonga Mitoma pasaba kabakwas Martin kapitano yashara kurunji mnonga kikito yanyoka referee tajira uneza kuba throw in yabanyone bitu aba Lubirizi District. Martin yajerezo kubasa kwa nakora kabadi karunji mnonga kapitano ninga captain wa district ya Mitoma. Finally referee yagwereza abanyone bitu aba Lubirizi neza kuba throw in Lubirizi tanuko kushika bashiko mpira Gwijagwa Tambla bakwata mukurunji mnonga ken bagufuna ba Lubirizi bamwine Stephen na guteka kurunji mnonga midfield bateka mukathurba pass box wa na goalkeeper yabasoko na kunyeza kurunji mnonga nenga batugamba ati kwamba tukabila talo Musambi offside pisha batambla banyene bitaba Mitoma District. Elik Okol na crossing mpira mnonga box ya Lubirizi wala betwa pira bakwata Gwijagwa Tambla kwa kurunji mnonga Lubirizi va defending defense yawe na ndeba bali na kurunji mnonga baka kabagodinga box ya Lubirizi wano I can't Hanyama pira ya kukwata kurunji mnonga mtafibo Gwijagwa Tambla kwa gayo mama nyabo bahona Lubirizi bahona. What a lovely shot Kurgo Musambi Alkumanywanka Anyama Emmanuel shot number 41 yabanyone bitaba Mitoma District. Pira nukwemeli leto Mitoma batabuka nibetaka call na mnongo half time pira guchiri 0-0 remember pira guchiri 0-0 bashko pira mnongo mnonga batole kalho Musambi wa Mitoma Alkumanywanka Elik Akal all the way from Chigazo Boys nabaliki asama mukubiri refa na jatambule bashko pira box ya Lubirizi miteba kwedinga Gwijagwa Tambla Gwarga kurunji mnonga kwa Chenda Hell neza kuba throw in logo kushika kwa banyene bitu aba Mitoma District. Mitoma District ayukambla bine watu call throw in pira logo kushika kwa Mitoma pira logo kushika kwa Mitoma. Ladies and gentlemen, anytime from now kamba kushika mpira bashiko mpira mnonga bila box ya bine bitu Lubirizi wa kwa singa box wana pira kushika kwa Tambla kwa Chenda Hell Sambi Alkumanywanka bako Gelald shot number 6 wa Mitoma District kama sakona rupi mpira Gwijagwa Chenda over the bar. It was a lovely shot one. Finally haidukambla neza kuba goal kick ya banyone bitu aba Lubirizi neza kuba goal kick ya banyone bitu aba Lubirizi District. Ankole Cup 2026 mwe bali mnonga okubasa kwa mukwasaganya shonga ninga tukubasa kwa muhachira Ankole Cup Westerners, wherever you are, thank you so much. Nobody mnonga ekintu nindeba kyonire ekintu ndeba kyabolera kyaro kitandala abagizi mwe bali kwija omubwinji kubasobora makira Mitoma district nanga ngono kwajira nana Ankole Cup Wonders, big up to you. Of course mwe bali mnonga banyali bitu aba Wonders mwe bali mnonga kubasobora mu sponsoring kurunji mnonga Ankole Cup Tayalo West TV, thank you so much. Pesa kuba free kick ya banyali bitu Mitoma Pisha basino mpira kujagwa tabla box ya Roberts munywana wanje kulecheza Mitoma ku defendinga kujagwa tabla again 1-2 pira bakufuna banyana bitaba Roberts yabari musambi alkumanywa nka Ronald na gufuna kurunji mnanga bakufuna banyana bitaba Roberts na crossing mpira mulinga mnonga Martin kapitano wa Mitoma yakwata mubagu headinga kurunji mnonga again Mitoma district kapitano Martin yatera ka blind pass bagufuna bisha batambala baruba wano pira bakwata mukujagwa tabla ne kushira line bagufuna ba Roberts kapitano na Guyael neza kuba throw in Tano kushika kwa Mitoma kapitano Martin ijagweza msambira kwa kapako Kelald shot number 6 number Shalen Kito pira bakwata mukujagwa tabla kwa Zael throw in Roberts bagufuna kurunji mnonga again bijagwa tabla bakosinga basoba kusana goalkeeper Mitoma district Mukelwa Davis yabasa kona kunyesa kurunji mnonga bijagwa tabla again Mitoma na batambala pola 1-2 Edwin bakwata kurunji mnonga referee yabasa kona gaba free kick Sikazala kumanywanka aino mujisha Edwin Vamsana Mukumi aino mujisha Edwin Vamsana Mukumi shot number 8 wa Loviris Allu kumanywanka Senjo Bamweta Senjo Kela Conald Nargomu UPPC Yabasa kuna sana Mukumi Sambi wa Mitoma district Allu kumanywanka aino mujisha Edwin Nowa district ya aino mujisha Edwin Allu kuna mni Mitoma na kuwasaganya shonga free kick neza kuba free kick ya banyana bitu awa Mitoma district Musambi alkumanyaka Johnny Rwabe Mugweli mna kusubira free kick Johnny Rwabe Mugweli shot number 3 free kick ya Mitoma pisha basuno mpira mabox ya Lubirizi pira bagwedinga kujagwa tabla kena box ya Lubirizi final referee tatu jira Musambi al offside Musambi wa Mitoma district ya bal offside ladies and gentlemen neza kuba free kick ya banyana bitu awa Lubirizi district goalkeeper alukumanywankana Mala Evaristo ijukangu enyuma waho Lubirizi kabasa kwa neta ya Isa Mitoma kulia omakaga Lubirizi finally Mitoma ekarigayo bitabonire Lubirizi kabasa kwa nebatera goal emwe alizro omudakika za muhelo so aidukambira Mitoma nagiza kwasa kwa nagirangu obutiri omukobo itunitu at least tugira kitwafuna that is Mitoma district for you ijukangu omukiwinje kibalumo points zona nzingana bine points 3 Mitoma ine points 3 Lubirizi nayo ine points 3 kwegamba byome ndira kumanya nohola basa kuba nayibembera ekibinja munyano wancho pulikirize namnunga mpyo kwa lisowa bisha basimo mpira mulonji nonga kujagwa tambla mitwe bakwata bakwinonga haba Mitoma Musambi alukumanyaka Edwin ya groupinga 1-2 pira bagwedinga again Lubirizi district bagutomera kurunji mnonga kuri mu center kwijagwa tambla bagwijeza kwa sababu defendinga kurunji mnonga Mitoma bakwata kurunji mnonga Musambi alukumanyaka Emmanuel bagumya kurunji mnonga kende bagu defendinga kwijagwa kurunji mnonga batwele ka defense ya Mitoma finally yagiza kwa sababu tambla kisha bafuna mpira box wa Mitoma Lubirizi wano balo pinga mpira box wano referee kama sakona kama what we call free kick from Samuel offside wa manyana bitu aba Mitoma wa Musambi offside mnyano wancho pulichirise na mnyano witu mnatuleba na mnonga Tayalo West TV, thank you so much kwale mnonga finally referee abasakuba najirangu niza kuba free kick ya manyana bitu haba Lubirizi personal mpira kushagwa tambla ken bakwata mukurunji mnonga Lubirizi pino mupira ya kurosinga mpira mnonji mnonga pira bakwata mu box ya Mitoma na bagu defendinga kwijagwa tambla kwa kurunji mnonga bamweta Brian nakanga kurunji mnonga Mitoma finally Lubirizi bagufuna yabari musaba kuma Ronald baguma pira na rumba kurunji mnonga Ronald baguma pira bakwata ba Mitoma kwijagwa tambla kwa Jeda kurunji mnonga batwele ko Musambi alukumanywanka ino mujisha Edwin shot number 3 wa Mitoma basambira kana mbibiri kabonire kurunji mnonga nkakatimba wakabichasa atazana mcha Edwin aside ya Mitoma district neza kuba free kick ya banyana bitu in fact neza kuba throw in pendo kushika indu kabla pendo kushika kwa banyana bitu aba Lubirizi mnyano wacho pulichirise batweleka bagira mweda chikisha tsonka bayongera mu dakika 3 zonka bashiko mpira kuja gwa tabla box ya Mitoma bakirya ringa 1-2 bakrosingo mpira mu 10 nangaye bano pira bagufuna abanyoni bitu aba Aluveriz goalkeeper Nwabwine Namala Evaristo na tambara kurunji mnonga Namala Evaristo yasoma pia kushapata mara 10 nangaye Sande William pira gwa guruminji mnonga kuja gwa tambara gwa agenda kurunji mnonga neza kupa goal kick ya Aluveri ya Mitoma pia basoma pia kuja gwa tambara gwa kurunji mnonga. Of course referee nakaba free kick y'abanyoni bitu Aluveriz wa Musambi wa Mitoma yabasogona kwa tambara kurunji mnonga Musambi almanywanka Elvis. Free kick, Yellow Bellies, ladies and gentlemen. Patulika shot number 8, St. Jokela Conald. Anakusema mpira. Finally yaguruga mukurunji mungu yagurechera shot number 18. Yellow Bellies, alikumunyo ka Ronald Kayeso. Pira bisha basumula free kick, Yellow Bellies basumula mpira mulinga munongo box ya wanyini witaba Mitoma wano kipa. Yabasogona kunyesa kurunji munonga Mukerwa Davis. Wa Mitoma District. Again yaguruga kusumula kushabadaka wa kipa. Walubirizi district mamweta Namala Evaristo naino mpira Namala Evaristo finally abasagona kunyweza kurunchi mnonga kira no kubanyana bitu aba Lubirizi district Namala Evaristo toro kipa yasema mpira gusha kwa tambara kurunchi mnonga 1-2 chikumina ngaya baisha bakrosinga mpira bakusaba bitu aba Mitoma finally kira bakwatamo gusha kwa tambara kurunchi mnonga kwa Sahel nesa kuba kona y'abanyoni bitu aba Lubirizi ishuka ngwe dakika sofa dakika 32 sofa namnunga wali ataya Lowes TV dakika 32 tuleba kona y'abanyoni bitu aba Lubirizi tuleba abanyoni bitu aba Lubirizi district bine kona aba kweta kona bareta kona amba box ya Mitoma pira bagutemera bakwedinga kipa ya kwata kurunji mnonga finally agarka ya clearinga wisha kwatambla kipa wa Mitoma yabasakona sana kurunji mnonga. Keeper wa Mitoma is very nice. Anyway, kila kushagwa tabla bakupatabo heza throw in y'abanyoni bitu aba Mitoma district. Yes. Mkwata mic. Yes. Eka. Look yangu sapo. Yes. You take back my picking it. Yes. Of course, so far edachika 33 za kumuchoka chite cyo kubaza tayari wese the lowest all but abeka mda sports master. Of course tuli hapa full 90 minutes. Of course making a shock jangu wasafano rugano tambranite edachika chende. Of course tubase kwa tukwisa utaratibu baridadi kabisa sana. Jikangu no batano kufuringa social media platform zetu kufuringa mukutubito kwa X, kufuringa Instagram, kufuringa Facebook, kufuringa even na Twitter. Yes, turugi ibina mkubitu ogwa Twitter basagwana ujeta X basagwana tira comment yawe no horukusingo muzano district ya Lubirizi bakutanyira district jimpa ya Mitoma tuli ali rwachitandala Secham. Of course, so far 0-0-34 minutes into the first half. Of course, edachika kabakumya shetini naho atibya weza turuka mucheka chite cyo kubanza making a show ngwabasakwana utambana ito Wonders Beauty Products. Wonders always wonderful making a show kujango wasakwana urubona products itu basakwana ubona amajuta ibone sanitizer ibone liquid soap. Of course basakwa anobona akaho akomulembe Wonders Beauty Products. Of course nubasana mukubya ya Centerline yaba district ya Mitoma basana mukubya ya Centerline sakwana umwetaho omukuru kumanyanka acha number 2 ba district ya Lubirizi basakwana umweta Prime Mugisha kashiko pira mpora na isa naronda cheze na 11. Of course naronda cheze na 11 kwata mukache ijukangu nasano muri ya Rwanda cheze number 11. First focus. Atayari wese bomba tureka mukongocha bisarwasa kwa nometa mukongocha kurga okwe umurege ya Rwanda mukongocha Robert nabaraka bakata mukache kato chese number 2 moto plan Kuna district jipaya with the goalkeeper na tena kwa Mugedwa Davis. He's a goalkeeper at Viper Junior team. Isumatan kampura pura balona Elvis jersey number 5 take a pass pura jersey number 10. Mwete Khalid Fazil. Hatamu pura. Mshirika katika emisiri ni jersey number 4 basa kwa mweta ho. Kabori la Emmanuel. Sasa Kabori la Emmanuel, one of the best center back so far. The team ya Vision Elite. Our team ya St. Lawrence Imbase. Kabori la Emmanuel. Tanuko mpira Kabori la Emmanuel. Crossing mpira ni ya center line na Emmanuel Anyama. Akanikana bateka mtu mpira. Akanikana bakota Bako Gerard. Bako. Tunamwona Bako. Akanikana mamutako ni Bako Gerard Martin. Crossing mpira goalkeeper itaya. Lukman Kanamara Evaristo. He's a goalkeeper at 6 O'Clock FC. 6 O'Clock FC. Osuma Toreka usindika hariyo mukuru kwanyaka. Sigan sindika Mukongoti Robert Jasena 11. Of course, one of the experienced players. Abarasa ni timu ya Buru FC Toreka Bafana. His nickname is Bafana. Hawa timu ya Mutore FC. Tena pasi mpura Haria Aran bakatika mbalo Jasena number 7 mweto Ronald Baguma. Hamupia nukusa Rusahir Bajangu Nogokshka. Piano Bajangu Nogokshka. Matereka mukuru kubaka El Capitano Martin Agaba. Shikangu he's a secondary school teacher. Shikangu ni teacher mu secondary tiny team Martin Agaba. No msana ba district Jimpaya Mtoma and he's the captain. He's their captain. Nasa kushika mpira pura. Kata mpira Khalid Fazil mpira kubona Martin Bagarkar bamusiga yo Bako. Atuka Jasena number 14 bakwata mukacheka Kabori la Emmanuel. Crossing mpira pura Jasena number 14 basa kuona mwita Hassan Kato. Mpira bisa babuteka Bajango Mtoma tugumisamu na Kabori la Emmanuel. Crossing mpira pura. Bisa Bagarkar bamusiga Kabori la Emmanuel. Crossing mpira bado Jasena number 13 basa kuona mwita Edwin. Crossing mpira pura 15 mpira lugizan kusahel. Hakasiga Emmanuel. Wete homo kunori kwanyaka Edwin Hino mucha Kanguno musana Lushenyi Elite. Of course, so far so composed. On the right back of Mitoma district. Shangwa Makinjere Siga Senicha Senior. Wete Mukongocha Robert from Buru FC player. Mpakeza Uganda Startimes of Premier League. Mukongocha Robert. Shikangu na sana muri ya Rwanda. Shikangu kasano teams ka Sunshine. Kasano teams ka Mukura FC. So far currently plays for Intersales FC on Rwanda Premier League. Weto Robert Mukongo Tambagara Bakota Mpira Okor Ek Maro de Manuel Anyama Batoreka Elvis Hariaran Elvis Nagusabata Kusabata goalkeeper. Mukura Maka Evaristo Namara 6 O'Clock FC player. Evaristo Namara 6 O'Clock FC player. Of course, Satayar was a baby of the sports pass full time Mina Samuel. It was a quantuna and that she got in the Mujina Bez at Tayar was the beach and the Bishop to Kaganam Kaka. Tayar was the Bianca Cup hashtag Wonders Beauty Products. Pasakwan Gainobona products as Wonders always wonderful to Bonama Jutabona Santaisa. Bonabori Chimwe, Ahora Remengu Nature Wonders, Bona soap. Inunda wa sopo bukumura krunchi in case wo in Roaches basakubano the products as Wonders hibone shataisa Batoreka Martin Pakaraka Kwata Okache Sanda William just number 41 about district Jipaya Rubinisi Pachangu no Gokshka Sanda William just number 14 Narunda 14 Rata 14 Kurukumanyanka Hassan Kato Hano midfield. Hagarakana kwa toka cheka jersey number 7. Michael Ronald. Tera passing nje mnonga bakano kwa Marunda Hassan Kato. Passing mpira mpora Sando William. Haria Ryan. Sando William na kule kabadi. Bagarakana bagumu yao LVC. Counter attack mpora Sa LVC. Na tera passing nje mnonga area line mpira nguzamba changu Gokshan. Bagarakana kwa tamu. Bafana. Mpira Gokshan. Mito Bafana. Shikangu nickname yeye haria timu ya Mutore FC. Ninga Shoka Club Volcanoes. Mpakeza FUFA Big Creek, Shikangu recently they qualified for FUFA Big Creek after eliminating FC 1-0 on aggregate. Kwatamu pura
Pia guri alright. Bagaruka bakatari alani. Mwete Ronald Hibakuma. Crossing omupira John Ruben Migueri. Kwata ukwache Okor Eric. Omusana timu ya Chickens Homeboys. Tena pasi nje Mulonga. Hani Aran. Mwete mukuru kumanyika. Brother Jesse number 6 Bako. Gerard. Pasi nje Mulonga anuya. Jikangu uya Mitoma district. Tena pasi mpora Khalid Fazil. Na Bako. Gerard bagaruka bagusaba Jesse number 15 Mwete Senchuma Plan. Senchuma passing omupira Khalid Fazil bakwata mupira n'Guzahel. Hey, Senchuma Plan akasigasika karondera Bashil Rata Jikangu and products are USSA Paul Thames 1. Bajangu nogo akasiga Jesse number 13 Mwete Edwin kwasinga mpira kulonda Emmanuel Nyama Bachangu goal kick. Bachangu goal kick near district Jipaya Mitoma goal kick rather it is a corner kick about district Mitoma batureka Senchuma Brand of course alimunaza kutira corner kick Senchuma Brand just number 15 Senchuma go Ryan Senchuma Bachangu corner kick batureka na goalkeeper amnajataka pira mukoze saka Mugerwa Davis mtana kwa junior team Mugerwa Davis so composed. Of course, Umizano elikwingana Mugerwa Davis Bisambaza kuleta kona kiki Senchuma Brand. Senchuma Brand crossing omupira jikagwa abatezi barujuwe mutenka John Ruben Miguel anyama Emmanuel Bona bari box crossing omupira nyama heta Bisambaga kana bakwata mu Jesse number 6 basa kubana umweta mukuru kumaka Ahmed Mayo. It goes wide. Akasegas Jesse number Kasegas kakasinichia mpoko. Jikangu Mitoma of course one oreba mo squad number sabo. You might think Gunava enough, but they have high profile players. Abasegas kaba Senchuma Brand, of course abasegas kaba Khalid Fazil, Reba abasegas kaba Emmanuel Anyama, abasegas ba Okor Eric, John Ruben Migueri. Of course they have good clubs. Batureka Bongotia, Kwata Mukongotia Robert. Kwasingo mupira koto mpira gusa over the bar. Bachangu on the goal kick. Bachangu and goal kick about district Jimpaya Mitoma. Bachangu omupira and goal kick about district Mitoma. Batureka Kasigas Davis. Batureka Kasigas Davis. Of course, Gaza kutandika ho goal kick Mugerwa Davis. Of course, the goalkeeper our team ya Piper Junior team John Ruben Migueri crossing omupira mpora. Of course, Senchuma Brand. Naza kutandika throw in Senchuma Brand na Emmanuel Anyama. That's one mpora Enyama Emmanuel crossing up Anyama with a good skill. Bachangu basana mukumi bachangu haro free kick of course Emmanuel Anyama bamusana mukumi. Emmanuel Anyama bamusana mukumi of course abatezi barunjuma free kick. Of course our team Jabasika by John Ruben Migueri. Of course he's there. When moves our team ya Young Girl France babupakeza fufa big kick. Of course one of the players who scored the praise against Young Elephants is none other than John Ruben Migueri, the player at Chickens Homeboys Football Club, and of course he's their captain. Jikangu the captain wa team ya Chickens Homeboys alongside 2K James. Of course a free kick Rebecca Sigal Jesse number 13 Mwete Edwin Ainomicha. Emilio Kunjunongo free kick Batoleka even as Anyama Emmanuel Abuna Chatibutera Mutwe. Anyama Emmanuel Jesse number 41 Abuna Chatibutera Mutwe. Tarikankoreka muda Emily to a chest raises high. Najat Amkud in air balls and Nyama Emmanuel from a Karukarunj FC football player. Emmanuel Anyama just come for Uganda plays. Batoleka Kasigas Edwin. Emilio free kick Mwete Ainomicha Edwin. Emilio Kunjunongo free kick Ainomicha Edwin. Let's wait and see. Ainomicha Edwin. He's a right back. I know Mucha Edwin. Later, with Teresa Akashenje Hanuya. Edwin crossing Gomopira. What a lovely defense from Bafana. Now to number 4. Pasapora Weta Kabore Emmanuel. That's one Pura Kaborina. Emmanuel. Bagaruka gara bafana teka umuco John Kubu Migweri passing mpira mpora bagaruka bakwatamu kanini pasi bagaruka bakwatamu mpora Bizar Balona Sande William akasiga skina man Sande William alongside Jesse number 13 William Muse wakat wanyama wata Sande William Bizar Balona Bonat Jesse number 7 Kasiga Strona, Jazen number 7. Now Okor Eric. Crossing over Pira Nyama. Anyama. That's what Kuji Brogo Pena. Chatumiza Bashara Nyama. That's how Mutani Anyama. Crossing over Pira. Oh, what? Shot! Penalty rufina jata atujende now Jazen number 7 Sarofina Nuya Ronald Bagata Bakota Okor Eric Senegal and Bagata Batere Checha Bafana now cruising over Pina Pura Mitoma Kwata Mukache now Martin Jazen number 14 on Pelugis Sahir Akasigas Kasiniko Okor Eric he needs his second goal in a Curry Cup Bajiranga Kasigas Bakatele Chiraka Kunaba Kwake Cha Okor Eric yes in the Kota. Of course, Abasikas Babaru Bafana. Abasikas Hamud Face, Abasikas Ronald Kayes. As a one with a bishop. Ronald Kayesu, Bishop Ariahasi, Bishop Kayes. Makayes Ronald. As a one with a bishop. Because the economy in the bishop. Kayes. Bakasikas Bakasinichira shot Jamuquato. Akasigaza bakasindikira shote kota guciye mukwato mutwe Beteka yes Ronald Basigaza bamusindikira shot Akasindikira shot Akasigaza bakasindikira shot refuna jatugumizemu Ejikangu Anyami Emmanuel yakora Gurski unia the corner flag Uyasharaka Zigaza chacha Lakini inzana na timu ya KCCA Inzana ya Uganda Cranes Inzana ya KCCA Atiliweza kuleta biangore Provided there is man I have to pray Anyami Emmanuel Bakshirika Jazen number 7 Mkuruku Maka Ronald Baguma Ronald Nubu sana timu ya Chambra Rastas he's the Rasta Of course if you're praying for the Rastas of course you have to be a Rasta Ronald is a Rasta. Changu ni kona kika ba district jipa ya Rubirisi. Atulika baka Rada Hassan Kosingo Mutehedha. Tari Kosingo Mutehedha William. And he be sent from close friends. Bagan Karba crossing at the number 14. Kwete Hassan Kato. Kosingo Mutehedha Hassan Kato Pera Bajangu ya El. Kato Hassan. Chikangu nakazana timu ya Mbare FC. Bajangu ni goal kick abwa district Empire Mitoba. So far 0-0 with just 2 minutes remaining. The end of first half. Maturika goalkeeper Mukerwa Davis. Painful fight to their team. Of course, someone at Uganda that is Uganda under 17. Number 25. Rather, not even a student. Of course, half time was like that. Half time score 0-0 here at Ruach Standard Main Stadium. Hachaita Ruach Standard Stadium, of course, Mitoma 0-0. As far to the chances of district and Mitoma, but misses to score at least one. Of course, they miss to give us a difference. Abomsaro Gupai, the Chika Makmeni, and of course, because of us points again is Taburadisho. I think I'm the sports class, of course, and Yaha first half, of course, Pirago, Takona Grand Tamburaje. So far, so good about district Jipaha and Mitoma. Of course, so far, so good about district Yard, of course, born about Turka Kumboja, Aho, Omsetted Places how. Of course, they got to pass a quarter to Muramukacho, of course, it's off to get connected to the Chita Cabinet. Then, after second half, it's up to get for interviews. That's the Kumila terrorist.
Omuribu wa Terwest TV utaferwa kwerebera butuno empira ya Ankore Cup aho ibyanga bya Ankore Nkambarara Ntungamo.
Muchara wanji mwami akahoho kararugokwe kukaransonasona nkunyije na bene iwe.
Hati turakozesa sabundi za Wandazi.
It is okay, ndebire wanyirira n'abana batakeyagura. Kambanjurire esabundi za Wandazi zirime birungo byo muhendo okuhumuraje no kuhwero kumaraho burwire bwo mubiri okananuka okanyirira. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi medicated soap nerwaniso bukoko aha mubiri beine Wandazi herbal soap ibyo kweyaguzo rugusyo wacha wewe beine Wandazi baby soap ejineri ndaje mibiri y'abana ejikwata mememe. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi black soap okuchencho burofwa mu mubiri okasigarura bobera. Aba hoteli na guest houses mutwarira abajenyi banyu Wandazi guest soap eina kahoho karungi. Esabuni za Wandazi ziryo mu maduka gono mwihanga omu retail na wholesale zikakakasibwa na UNBS abo byo mutindo. Abariko no mbwinji tere simu noti 383 gura hati.
Wonders, always wonderful.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses at 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800 100 066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Bongana Tayar Westi. Urubungo rwa Tayar Westi hamna MTN Free Your Fire. Hatirwasirimuka mu rubuga Fort Poto hamna chenjojo. Ego abantu ba Fort Poto hamna chenjojo netugenda kusiba n'inywe ombutale nka Kampanga ebiro byokwezi 3 kwa msanju mwaka guno. Hamna ebiro byokwezi 5 kwa msanju mwaka guno omukatale chenjojo. Ijo yahangure bisembo nyamwingi okuruga mu MTN hamna Wonders kandi hamna Tayar Westi. Obtukuletire n'abazini hamna abisiga abarikuzina amazina ag'omulembe. Hanyuma y'ebi byona rwebaje tusirimuke omurela Rev Bar and Lounge. Tweyongera okukucamura hamna abazini ab'amaani abebembirwe T-Paul na MC Lithan mukuru w'ekyanga oteberwe na DJ Phantom. Lero hakiro kya mukaga ebiro byokwezi 5 kwa msanju mwaka guno netugenda kusiba mukatale chenjojo okunyumirwa nkokumu hamna abisiki abarikuzina amazina ag'omulembe oteiraho abazini ab'amaani nka Muzamiro Pretty Ima hamna ba MC na ba DJ ab'amaani aho mu Star Lounge chenjojo. Binu byona bikuletirwa aba MTN Free Your Fire Wonders Beauty Products hamna Tayar Westi irakari yaitu.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nabagaruka yahishomero kandi ebintu bikiri kubi abo ashota kutwara icweka cha fiza yishomero rya Junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma.
Mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozesa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabona basakusha baroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbira muri basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
The Late Chart from 9 to midnight.
Okay, a very good evening, dear listeners. You're listening to 104.5 Reggae FM. My name is Pretty Zero, crafted for World Class. Your sassy and classy presenter, I welcome you both. You can also welcome the people aboard. You can send your night greetings. You can request for a journey that you would like to listen to. And of course, we shall be together till we get ourselves into the community mode of the yesterday. That will be absolutely nice. The singles, the people that have broken out, the postpones incident sad, but it happens. Always here for you. We log it to Thursday, 9 p.m. till midnight. And of course, with cool King John, dedicated, entertaining, till we are out of here.
This is 104.5
Panyachigez FM. We are your #1 favorite station.
Otaferwa aha tayari West.
Umuziki hagundi umweshongoza handisho abachana bahanga mu ndongo. Ejini program Saba Saba.
Of course, come close, don't pause, just whine and cause commotion.
Abachakaza tubashanga mu ndongo tudikita nabo. Za stage zo mulembe tuzemeraho. Omuziki noguhirotokwe. Buli kwa katano shaha inaza chiroji na ndongo bani.
Mukakari tandikizo baryawe na program Gogonoka.
Right, ganina katanya zitano Panyachigez FM twanjoro kwakira kandi no kutangira mu program eji ya Gogonoka.
Alright, abatwetegura kuzakora imirimo itari imwe n'imwe, abahinjori y'unetegura kuzo musurwawe, oriyo wa boda, oriyo n'etegura kuzakuvuga okubasa kubano isya ohereza abantu umurimo gono gorukora no kwendeza ibintu byonga no kugira ngo gono kwenda nuro rwo mu kitanda obase kuba noza gukora
kosa bagira ngo bafana agenda amagurika mugaya nabwo itezereke ngo sakwano gicu wayikorera muri yakasheshe no mabinji nagenda rimwa kugici yakora amerwa byona urayajya tentasi kabura atakasimbi kakabura
ndandika kwetombita kandi kimwe kwetombita tkuruma
cyangwa munonga generation yite turimo yo nyetanyetwe n'ibindi byona nibajogende no kubwa kuba 10 nyaboneka bakwireze kozo baguma mu kostambi nabwo turakure
je bare niwo wimukiye kandi niwo takiye mu cyentwe cyangwa rwo mu kitanda bazamura mu wawe uze kuchapa kazi na bidii
Mukakari tandikizo baryawe na program Gogonoka igani nakatonye zitano rukunde gumeho.
Otaferwa aha tayari West.
Mashweko reka nkusomere barha ya Paulo yahandikira abaroma
studentro no muntu ufitamuzo mu cyaro rugamba abuzire Paulo yahandika barha yahandikira abaroma yuwisha baza kujishomera
ikindi cyandikira umanye Mashweko
nyonyo mu Roma Teka Witumshesha we ko kufitwize mbarampo Ciao nandi neza ko rgahaza runaho muri no muzakunzaka Ai bamba napare chichweka ekinana kitsa atshabana ba lemafutaho byenye muniki niwandane cyo eshahaza bisha uri noteka amayiro yitaka ya hano gahori yambani kale baseti zali minister MP hati ndikusukereza
Angwani ngiza kasente mucyara Tora turi tubwembe banana amazire kubuta mutwara neza imbe aza utagore muno twiza kuba wata muko twisuke bugafunguka
ari tomureka kujoga tujoga ni tatu ry'abantu nanye nani nguze byagere mani ngusigaje kufuna sente
bahendera omwana ngo kanakizera ko gakoshe
n'abageni baza kurya kimama
tavura kare
Dusk Drive
104.5 Panyachigez FM. On the Dusk Drive today, Rachel, at what time should your husband get back home?
At 7 p.m. If you're not home, where are you? As a responsible man, at 7 p.m. where are you?
7 p.m.
We are supposed to be at home.
By the time...
Dinner is 7:30. You, where are you at 7?
What kind of dinner though?
Program The Dusk Drive.
This is 104.5
Panyachigez FM.
We are your #1 favorite station.
Otaferwa aha Tayari West.
Tayari West TV ekuretire program Touch kugumane tukumurikira ebiri kugenda mu ihangeri ebirumwe byo butegeki ebyamagara ebyo bwegese n'emturane y'abantu n'ebindi nyamwingi on program eji buru wa kabiri nitukuretera abahangu kumurikira enshongezi twina masiko ngo hinitafarira hango eruturateke hakutwara ihangeri omumisho na nyomushuganisa wayo asi
district ya Mtombo, of course, turi Rwatandara Stadium. District ya Mtombo, of course, bagubiza mu kuzana na district ya Rubirizi. Hasafa 0-0. Ko yabaza kwanirwa ine tambura and check it half kirmuntegereza nohora baze kwanarga yakangura omusano gupa hagati ya district ya Mtombo bakutayisa district jipa ya Rubirizi. Yikabgu team zone 3 on group D. Bona bine of ati so far district ya Mtombo ingambire gishaha bino bonero buna ana district ya Rubirizi bino obonero bungana buna chikuba nikimanyisa ngo district ya Mtombo ebembire tebo so far just currently kukwata mukunji Mtombo niyo ebembire tebo abonero bungana buna kujangu just bachade draw and then omwanya ogwamire tubatureba district ya Bweju abino bonero bungana busha todeno gwa kabiri tire mu district ya Rubirizi kujangu bine points ezupingana ina so far but ompira kugwa kwa Mtombo basingiro muzano kimanyisa ngo district ya Rubirizi of course n'abantu bashembera ekibeza omwana wanje cyayi kumiri andiho za Tayari West ative batureka Emmanuel Anyama jaze number 41 ayemere ku minonga aha mupira batureka ibino musigaza Okor Eric aba district ya Mtombo nawe ayemerire aha mupira araburu ba wominga pora bachangu tune kutera district ya Rubirizi. We have to use our home advantage making a shot jangu fasinga omzano ogupa become so far so proposed abo musan Khalid Fazil aba district jipaha ya Mtombo. Let's wait and see turebe Mtombo bakoza home advantage kusinga omzano gwabo ebizibine batureka no musiga zo mukuma mukongoti ya Robert say number 11 aba district ya Rubirizi batureka mukongoti ya Robert. Because from Tomeranka Street, you cannot even think. We are at the Mupira Mukongotcha, but Akazana team ya Bull FC, Akazana team Erikumanya Sunrise FC, Omiyangera Rwanda, Akazana team ya Mukora FC, Omiyangeri Pao Area Rwanda, even so far, Akazana team ya Enteseus Omiyangera Rwanda, that is in Rwanda Premier League, Mukongotcha Robert, one of the best wingers. Aga team Ejipaha Eya Enteseus. Amuyanga era Rwanda. Let's wait and see. Tayari West TV. Basa kuba not following social media platforms Z2 and following us to Oga X, English Twitter. Basa kuba not following Facebook. Basa kuba not following Instagram. Basa kuba not following even YouTube. Tero comment yawe. Basa kuba tujishoma pora. Tero comment YouTube. Basubira ni team chi era basa kuba nesinga omusano gupaha. Batureka security man. Batureka security men. Can we call them stewards? Umuchai tumu tubeta ba stewards abakuba providing us security. But so far we have Uganda police. Murumo we chai tubeta ba stewards. Of course, warrior police, but what are umuchai so far? Ya police ni mbani aratuzura ibana kweta steward. Mbani kweta steward. Ati ni steward hindi chuko kuze boot. That is on Karimi Akomupida. Wajera kutoreka Emmanuel Anyama. Wajera kutoreka Omisigas Emmanuel Anyama. Batureka center row free. Now asking yawe. There is a just. Setting a crook. Batureka Nakasikas Bako. Gerard just number 6. Now asking yawe. Batureka Khalid Fazil just number 10. Now asking Batureka Bako. Gerard again. Of course, second half, Sports watakana district ya Mitomo na watu alikuwa mpira Patrick Jezena before crossing it mpira pora bizabalo na Jezena bafiti ateka mu tupaja good goal kick. Machangu goal kick aba district ya Jipaya Albert Jezena number 6. Hata Jezena bafiti of course pia tia batakwenda Uganda kuona. Defend number 15 Senchuma Brand. Just a player to Vantage Secondary School. Senchuma Brand. Mpakeza USSA Pro K1. Part of the stars at Vantage SS. Patrick goalkeeper Namara Evaristo 6 o'clock player. Mpakeza Western Region League. They finished second behind Motori FC Football Club. Patrick Mukongotya now. Is number 5 Sarumu Tania Ryan. Pressing on pura 7. Bagarkana Bakwata pura. Now Okor Eric Bagarkana Bakwata pura. Tena pass Mukongotya. Roberts Mukongotya. Pressing on pura Bajangu Nogoksha. Bajangu Nogoksha Nogwarubirisi. So in they are district yard busy. Kupira ba district yard busy of course abatezi bari mu Mukongotya agaragara bakwata muri bajangu kona kick. Bajangu kona kick aba district jipa yard busy. Patrick Mukongotya former Bull FC football player. Sakuya kona kick of course mugufu. Chatawari ngo muze mutere mitwe atabasigaza Amayo Ahmed mutere mutere mitwe basigaza Rata abasigaza Amayo Ahmed abasigaza Baguma Ronald Basenjogira Conrad mutere mutere mutwe basakuyayo kona kick Mukongotya Roberts Pasingo mupira pora gureke panayizana kwata mupira pora Bature Kanyama Emmanuel Kauntataka Mitoma Nyama Emmanuel Nashara Mutani Anyama Emmanuel Pasingo pera bagartara bakwata mupira pora bamukuru kubanyanka chance number 8 kareka diving gate bakwata mupira pora now Okor Eric chance number 8 kota Bature bakwata mupira pora bisa bakwata mukache chance number 14 bamukuru kubanyanka Emmanuel Kabolela tena pass mulunji bunoka kushanga Okor Eric akana kwata mukache Okor chance number 8 Kena pasi mulunji mnogari ala ino mukuru kumanyaka Konsigo mupira pura goalkeeper na kwata mnoga na jato wa vile twaheru ninza kukwata mukuru kumanyaka Namara Evaristo goalkeeper timu ya 6 o'clock Namara Evaristo Najati goal kick garuka kache enyuma goal kick Evaristo Namara Masaya US TV channel Bishatu Kagara Mkaga DSTV Dina Kagara Mnana Sata Mzigura Shetini Tano 0770 Matampura Pura Sado William and it goes right Mzee wakazi because mume Obasani awa mazurogwire Tukamuto Okor Ekina Sana Mukubi Omukuru Kumanyanta Senjogira Conrad Sana timu ya ETB UPPC Kesho Gaddafi Pakistan Uganda Star Times za Premier League the first time Bazana Barunja timu yecho Conrad Senjogira basarba Andrew Chigozi na wadi mu Pakistan Africa na Sana district ya Kazo Patingo mupira pura Jezena pa 35 the goalkeeping player Santo Masa Mugebi Davis Tanka pura na Runda Emmanuel Anyama Perbiza maga kwata mukache Bafana Mzana timu ya Mutori FC Football Club Muga Soka Club Volcanoes Bafana hizi nari Wasabano Mwita Johnson Turunawe Jezi number 3 Mutori FC Pressing pura Bafana na Mukongotya Seka mutu pura Okor Eric Nasana kwata mukache National Musanuya Pato Pressing pura Bata Ronald Jesse number 7 crossing mupira pura Jesse number 2 Mweta Prime Mugisha crossing mupira pura goalkeeper Mugedwa Davis. One of the best goalkeepers so far Kosa Konsindijere Kwa Emeyompa that is Eyaru Birisi Factoria Ahari Nyakasharu Playground aho added minutes Twareba Rukonsidiga Mpo Hatabinji Bajangu ya offside Sande William Kwata mupira now Masa Pura Khalid pasi na Bafana Tazena Bafiri Mukongocha tena pasi nje mnongani ya right tena na Ronald Bonad na kwata mukache Tazena Bafati meto mkumaka Edwin back crossing pura na tero Eriko pia nukiza Zahir Bajagoro Gokshka kwa Mitoma Batoreka Edwin Aidomicha Trainful Mushem Elite 80 Tazena Bafati na tanikana on Pata pura pa district ya Mitoma ashiro mutadu ya line he idolizes Pogba she idol yer Pogba this Oko Eric former Toro United FC player Presco Chicken Football Cup in Pakistan Uganda started the Premier League recently qualified for big league Bakubago Manyagwakana timu zikasantunga sana of course, I will look at the 60 ARBDC. Kamara Evaristo. Now on the corner Cassandra William Bakarkan Bakata Kache Paco Gerard now Oko Eric Oko Nasharmutani midfield Naizana Nakari Pasi Natuma Pura Khalid Pasi Nakira Pasi Jibrogaria Ryan Rajazena Basatin Batakwana without Edwin crossing Mupira Mutaru Master Rata Maka Jazena 5 meter edit crossing Mupira Pura Bakarkan Bakata Bajangu so in Bajangu so in Sigazo Maka Elvis Spain is seeking Mateo Ajuna Gala Elvis Namazana Shamaria said Kagwa Mpaka is a USSA ball game fun because they are the champions even last season but one Sareba even back champion Basit Kagwa they intended their trophy Basit Kagwa even Elvis Nome and Basan even the Satans Basan Kaba Kajungu Basan Kaba Elvis is Basan last season Wakari Nakazan Bakara Baketa Iran Patakaza Abus Adiante they are districted Jupaha and Yaudbirizi Iran Zona USSA product Pakosi Gomopira Elvis crossing Gopia Bajangu Kona kick Bajangu Kona kick about districted Jupaya Mitoma but here comes an Elvis Ajuna Rukawa of course in a Zofreta Kona kick ya Tetrum Kumaka Edwin I know Mujisha Edwin. Of course, another Tretamo Kona kick brother. About this wicked Jimpayan Toma. Of course, another Tretamo Akona kick mete Edwin. I know Mujisha Edwin. Because anabaza kuramu substitution mbali tete tena ba 17 shayo na bakosi ngomupira ba Mitoma bagarikana bashonza pata kache district ya Albinisi Sande William naso mpira pura Sande William na jatiza kushare Sande William na Sharmutani Sande William crossing mpira na crossing mpira goli kipita ya Najati ni kwa tani kwa tano Kongo mtoro kumaka Elvis wata mtoro kumaka Davis Sande William mzee wakati we ombasana babitire kanogo ikangu barupaza kuramu substitution ba district ya Rubirisi ndikoro kumaka mateka Juma Shayona naza kwa nargana tamu tena ba 17 Shayona naza kwa nargana tamu kumitiza kwa tuleo na janse number 13 Geto mporo kumaka Tema John Matoreka Mukongocha from Abu FC player Matangu Mugocha Matangu Pura of course Sani wakura substitutions of course na atamu mkuru kumaka Mateka Juma Namzani Archambra Vastas Bingo Vasta Ndiya ine Kongocha Robert Tasena Mireven Atamu Mateka Juma Namzana team ya Chambra Vastas Ramana Jasena number 41 Sande William Matleta Sema John Sema John Kizina ndio Ruganda crossing mpira for Eric now sema si John crossing mpira mpora upon Senjogera crossing mpira mpora bisamba kuronda mano masha crossing mpira tena pasa vekina ba tackling mpira bisamba karibia teka mpira now on the base right of midfield with Paco Gerard kana kwa tamukache Paco Gerard na Conrad Senjogera babu teka Conrad Senjogera mpira shot Hochi Conrad Senjogera and Kebe UPC football player Wakadatu FC Conrad Senjogera bachangu bamukwatamuka cheka chomutwe peta bati God Doctors Pachat Conrad Senjogera bamuzanira mukubi kwabiyana naskano muguhana n'umukoro kumanka Paco Gerard mfana timu ya 6 Paco Gerard present number 6 By district Empire Mtoma, December 6, Paco Gerard na Conrad Senjogera one today UPPC. They are both good players in the midfield. Those Rashal Bagizao, Kujan Shabak, Pura. Ishkam Sofa, Ivadia Tools. Tyrants Perezo Pau. Mbappe Ankore Cup. Ishkam fast goal ya Ankore Cup. Kareba Kasigas Dauko, Eric Nikokati, the fast goal ya Ankore Cup. Display edition, 60th edition. Ishkam Butome Kene Sana District, Eyab Hoeshu. Yoko, Karkuteva Kor, Ejopa. Yoko, Eric. Of course, Royal is the fast goal ya Ankore Cup. Kugogo goal Satan Kakunwa. Atrebidiso na niwazo timu ya Mbarasite Nakuchunchumurama sasa district ya Rwampara Kozi Shatungu Mshakirinto Dabiko Kamcha Chase football player to Mbarasite FC former Karukarungi football player former Nyamuchumura FC player Clinton Dabiko Mutaribaho Nanaka Sigazi Ogweti Gerard Nakutibira Mbarasite Baturika Bafana Nateko mpira chufua aba district Jimpaha ARBDC Mwete Bafana a player to Mutore FC Soccer Club Volcanoes Jukangu Mutore FC nabo bakofanyi bazo mu Uganda wata mufufa Big Creek. Great thanks to club president Dr. Martin Bonye and Dr. Ratha and Captain Arthur Mugisharu Chakasi pamoja Batirimaka Sento timu ya Mutore Baturika Bako Ratha Okor Eric Kwata mpura goalkeeper Insteya Echati Opano Gwanje Namara Evaristo Mzana timu ya 6 o'clock Jansen number 22 Bachangu corner kick of course 8 seconds Zawa and referee just you lose so far a lose is a pride 8 seconds wasted. A corner kick is awarded to the opponent. The new rule just mastered by the referee. Just 8 seconds. Zawa tunekugaba corner kick. Of course, batera corner kick about district Empire Tom. Batoreka abasigas barunjiwe mutwe. Kosimbo mupira pura bateka umutwe. Let's wait and see. Bagaraka bakota Bafana. Now Elvis. Pisa bomteka Bachangu goal kick. Imagine time wastage. Because singa corner kick. Ajati Tarok Shishabwire. Yitekelezea Ankore Cup. Tinkumanya area FUFA. Na FIFA can divide applicable or applied on Ankore Cup. But referee Aturika his abilities. Bagarkan Bateka Umuteka lead pass here. Bagarkan Bakata Badisiti and Bidisi take out Mutu Pura. Crossing on Jazena number 14, Jazena number 30, take out Umutwe. Crossing on Mupira Masa. Metro Mukuruma Kamati Nagaba. Upaba Jangunogo Shasipin, Jazena number 35. Abadisiti Ayarbinizi. Bamwine Stephen. Nomzana timu ya 6 o'clock Bamwine Stephen. Please. Because naanza kushuka mpira Bamwine Stephen. Achati abatezi barujuru mitwe teka umutwe bagaruka bakwata mpora bagaruka mabisiga chance. Let's wait and see. Jazen number 15 Sechuma Pan babusharanu ya line Bajangu haro free kick. Bajangu habaho kwa mpira. Jazen number 17 Mwete Mateka Juma baturuka goalkeeper Mugero Davis kusingo mpira pora bagaruka bateka umutwe Oko gakamba kwata Conrad Senjogera. Jazen number 13 bagaruka bakwataho Kajangu haro free kick. Kasigas bakazana mukube Edwin Ainoucha Sanu wa Bushen Elite AC Kakiza region rather from some divisions Bushen Elite Batoreka Kabolila Emmanuel Sasubra Friki Kabolila Emmanuel Kosimo Pura Bateka Mute Bishop Bagarka Bakwata Mukache Kabolila Emmanuel Bagarka Bakwata Mukache District Jipaya ARBDC. Now Jazen number 7 Gerard Bagarka Bakwatamu Kabolila Emmanuel Seka Homutwe. Now Jazen number 14 Mwete Hassan Kato. Now Mateka Juma Hari Arhain Bajangu Nogokshka Bajangu Ovano Gokshka Nogam Toma Batano Kompira Stephen Agakana Kwata Bagarka Bako Gerard Jazen number 6 Nathan Gapura Kabolila Emmanuel Bako Bamukora Bishop Bamzweke Kanju Bakasisha Bakakora Bishop Bakazweke Kanju Bagarka Bakwata Mukache. Now Jazen number so far 50-50 of course. Just a different from the first half. The second half is a bit different. Tinkalibre energy. Baturika Kabolila Emmanuel pressing up pura new midfield. Kwaruda Bafana Kamba Jangu ni goalkeeper aba district Jipaha ya Ubirisi. Baturika goalkeeper Namara Ivariso 6 Okroka FC goalkeeper Ivariso Namara Kasingo mupira pura Ivariso Bagarka Bakwata Mutwe Baturika Bako Rata Khalid Fazil Nasanona Avis. Now back again Conrad Senjogera Edwin Ainoucha Zaktanka Afriki ya Jirekera Kasigas John Ruby Miguel Kosingo mupira pura John Ruby it goes wide. Kumanka Sechuma Brand misses from close range. Sechuma Brand Jazen number 15. Let's wait and see. Profina Jati goal kick. Leia Lubiris district. Sechuma Brand and Emmanuel Anyama Jukangu Sechuma Brand Nazanra Ishobere Yabubanjis SS USSA Pro Games 1 Abofuru Injire Epaka Ezopaho Baturika Runat Jazen number 7 Bakarka Bakwata Mukache Bonal Baguma Nasana Runat Jazen number 14 Mwete Hassan Kato Kwata Mukache Pura John Ruby Mugwevi Jazen number 3 Kango Mitoma Bakola Menchuka Chukambia you can read Fazil. Jazen number 10 can read Fazil. Jazen number 10 Lumsanari Ishumo Progressive Lumsanwa Eagle West FC can read Fazil. Bakura substitution Barita Jazen number 9 Meteho Omukuru Orkumanyaka Batina Andrew Jazen number 9 Kango Nawono Musana Ishumo Progressive Nachana Ishaka Brains Batina Andrew from Ijumo Progressive to Ijumo Progressive. Batina Andrew for Khalid Fazil. Ajikangu Khalid Fazil na wina Tanila Igala West. Then Batina Andrew na Tanila team ya Ishaka Brain. Batona na beji al Ijumo Progressive. Totingo mpira chongo bimeperi na Runa Emmanuel Anyama cheka umutwe. Now Sechuma Brand hanu ya line as mpira kurudi mnonga Sechuma Brand Nashara no ya macheka Sechuma Brand Sechuma crossing mpira Anyama tegori kibiltea Torishire Elvis. Of course he was in the for that ball Elvis. Check out Pura. Now, Bako Gerard, Bako Gerard National Mutani wa Bako Gerard National Mutu Bizamba kwa tamu mpira kato na just bamsana na mukube indeed bamsana na mukube abachiza banga bachangu wapi ati amsana na mukube of course yacheza ukozesha karo Dr. Jesse number 4 omukuru kwanyanka Kaborera Emmanuel amenile free kick Kaborera Emmanuel crossing omupira pura Kaborera tusamba garakamba kwa sababu kachaba district ya mitomo bateka muta goalkeeping here omukuru kwanyanka Evaristo Namara 6 o'clock FC goalkeeper Jesse number 22 Dr. Gerard John Ruby Mugweri take a pass Pura Wagarikana bakwata mukacheka charo kusindikana crossing mpira ya run John Ruby Mugweri take a pass for a very expensive nazana crossing mpira bagarikana bateka muto bafana take a mutwe now Bishop Kwatamu Pura Zaze number 13 mwete Edwin Ailumusha Pamba Jangu Nogokushka Majangu Nogokushka so far so composed of course defense ya Lubirizi Tinemu Bamwine 7 Tinemu Jishapran Tine Ronan Kayes mwete Bishop Tine Johnson Turinawe mwete Bafana Bisan baza kushikompira aba Lubirizi Chekawe pasi Pura Gerard Basakura mu substitution aba mtume Shayona Majangu Opanogo Kikacha Sena ba 8 Mwete Conrad Senjogera Emilio Kunjumrongo free kick Conrad Senjogera, can he convert it from wrong range? Let's wait and see. Conrad Senjogera, Entebbe UPPC player, Uganda started with the Premier League. Conrad Senjogera, Gaddafi FC player, Emilio Kunjumrongo free kick. Conrad Senjogera, let's wait and see. But Jangu Haramu substitution. Kama district ya Mitoma Bakura substitution. Bibiamu Akasigas Elvis. Mwete o chase number 5. Mwete Ashuna Rukawa Elvis. Watuleta chase number 11. Watuleta chase number 11 na sasa Chris. Of course, Chris in for Elvis. Kwa singomo pira pora. Teka homuto. What a lovely defense. Patika homuto wa Mitoma Bakura Bakwata Mukachele. Enkwata, what a save. Cha. Love a goalkeeping from Elvis Rota Davis. What a goalkeeping from Mukedwa Elvis. What a Mukedwa Davis. And of course he gets an injury. Mukedwa Davis, Viper Junior team. Akasega Skabonira St. Chitende. Mukedwa Davis. Tatani kwata ne pure person Mukedwa Davis. Just number 18. But it was a lovely shot from he plays with a corner kick. Let's wait and see. Can they convert it from a corner? Batureka abasigazwa Conrad Senjogera. Batureka ba Semazi. Batureka Gerard. Crossing omupira pora teka homutwe. What a save! Bakarakana bagosho hore za Conrad Senjogera. Kwata mu pora. Now just in number 17. Masokwana mweta omukuru kumanyeka Juma Mateka. Crossing omupira pora. Bakarakana bakwata mukachimba Jangu free kick compare ya kwata ya offside. Jangu pona dia offside. Batureka Kasega Zumukerwa Davis, very expensive goalkeeper. Crossing omupira pora. Bakarakana bateka omutwe. Sechima plan. Kwata pora master. Central plan again. Now, Pata Mutoy, Rata. Bakabamio, Pina Pura, John Ruby, goalkeeper, Mugelwa Davis. John Ruby. Rata Jansen number 13. Meta Mukurukumaka Erwin. Crossing on pora Edwin. Nashara Montano. Edwin. Crossing on pora Bagarkan Bizamba Gumia Cherad. Bagarkan Bakwatamu. Cherad and no pira by side the Arabis Bizamba Bakwatamu. Hebatagu. Hesa yellow card. Hesa yellow card. Yellow card in Erukayo. Just number 35. Yellow card in Erukayo. Of course. Vito Mumutwe. Just number 35. Let's wait and see. Toreka Anyama Emmanuel. Of course, Habamoku Sanakui. District here, Benizi. District here, Mitoma. Of course, Emmanuel Anyama. Let's wait and see. Harmok Sirikana. Of course, Mamutera yellow card. Emmanuel Anyama, KCC FC player. Machangu Horo Kachahe. Emmanuel Anyama. Let's wait and see. Of course, he's in a angle. Let's wait and see. But it would have been a red card. Of course, Anyama Emmanuel, but shows out for some seconds. Emmanuel Anyama, imagine a professional player like Anyama. Machangu Yukangu Gamu Omateka Gankre Cup. Of course, Okuzana Mupuvi, Uwanzo, Okangamu Kachahe for some 5 minutes. Possible player Conrad Senjogira take out Mutum Pora. Now it is the number 13 Edwin. Bagereka Bakwata Mukache, Batureka Iran, now Umiga touchline. Bakwata Mukache Bafana, rather Bishop. Pressing on Pura John Ruby Mugweri, take out Mutwe. Bagarka Bakwata, Senchuma Pan. Bagarka Bakwata, Spirit Ningamnonga, just number 5. Asmumpira Mu Mateka, Chuma Mateka. Bagarka Bakwata, just number as 14, Mwete Hassan Kato. Kwatamu Bagruma. P1 shots. Mateka Juma. Wait. Conrad Senjogira. Nashara Mantani on midfield. Bagarka Bakwatamu. Pora. Oh, call! And it goes wide. Oko Eric. Kasika Boko Pira goes upon Usahe. Batulika Iran. Abasade Arabis na Zoktahamu Weta Iran. Iran Musings Nomsana Amus Courage. Pakesa USSA. Asana team ya Champion Rasters Evin. Iran Musings. Akasana team. Jimpaha ya St. Kagwa. Dia Jasena Musings. Asakubano Mwetao Amayo Ahmed. Namzarwa Intebe UPPC. Mumet Oba Kadafi. Mpakeza Uganda Star Times of Premier League. Amayo. Jasena Musings. Amayo Ahmed. Intebe UPPC player calls out for Iran. Iran Musingzi Amus Courage player. Taduko pira na mara Evariso. Nakarba teka umuche. Now Manuel Anyama. Ishtangu yagarko mchai Anyama. Natangana Edwin. Now Pisana Mamuteguro Mukuro Kwanyanka Basina Andrew. Pachangu haro free kick. Of course Basina Andrew Bamusana Mukuri. Basina Andrew. Patureka Matez Barinduba free kick Kamayano na Anyama. Pasana ba corner kusindikana Pok Church nan. Pasana ba John Ruby. Of course number one free kick in that area. John Ruby Mugweri. Of course on the pira gupiso Krunji na Chati. Kumuteka here John Ruby Mugweri. Patureka referee. Ikangu Pasina Andrew Bamusana Mukubi. Na Chati Tarok Sishobwire. Free kick in the district there, Mitoma. Patrick Emmanuel Anyama in position for that. Can he score from close range? Patrick that's very free kick. Patrick Emmanuel Anyama. Boss Yagugamu. Omukuru Usman Kabasina Andrea Gurukami Yaguechera Anyama. Let's wait and see Anyama. KCC FC player, former Karakoranji player. Anyama! The goalkeeper there to save Namari Evaristo. well counted, well calculated, and well targeted. Kompira Mugera Davis. Bagarkan bakwata mupura pura now. Basina Andrew bagarkan maputeka so mupura chicho. Bagarkan neya Liberties District so far 0-0. 0-0 aba district abizo kwa sababu bakora substitution aba Liberties. Jazen number 10 bajangu substitution zawayo. Of course amatekan quickly akan quick up substitution zawayo. Don't ask me how. But Liberties bakora substitution emirundi rukinga na eshatu zavayo kare bamutera yero kandi goalkeeper mukoro kumakabu nka nama Evaristo time wastage bakarika bamutera yero card iko bya yabako singiro uko na kick so fa bamutera yero card goalkeeper nama Evaristo bakora substitution basakora substitution Conrad Senjogera Nitabe UPPC, a player, Conrad Senjogera, jersey number 8. Out for Edson Kaheba, Chambera Rasta. Rather, let's wait and see. Liayo, jersey number 5. Rather, Liayo, Conrad Senjogera, jersey number 8. Who are Nitabe UPPC. Marita jersey number 10 omutoro kumanyaka Edson Kaheba. Bagarka batari kopira pora mitoma bagarka bateka mumutwe. Let's wait and say now. Basina Andrew bagarka bakwata mukacho mutwe. Basina Andrew bagarka nakwata mu Iran jersey number 15. Iran ashara mutanuya omutana amuscourage na bagarka bagwiza jersey number 6 bagarka bakwata mukacho ba mitoma brother district ya Liberties bagarka bateka pasi H Maria jersey number 13 mpira na izana kushoza Edwin Ainomujisha. So far in terms of the game, of course, highlights okuzukutambura kuriya mu district ya Ibanda mu group stage yabo barga yabo nayo goal Ibanda bine goal emu Kiruhura bine goal emu so far second half ntunga bine 0 shema bine 0 3 on second half then Kiruhura Nibasana una Ibanda kuriya mu district ya Ibanda bari goal emu ahadi mu second half mwebare mwena manager Andrew awa era timoter barwe. Of course ariho ahurikiriza Ian Kanzira Wampara bona baro bahurikirize barumuri bareba umupira pora bagaraka bakwata mukache now jersey number 6 kwata umupira pora jersey number 10 aba district ya Liberties bagaraka bamuya umupira Basina Andrew bamezo bya jersey number 9 Basina nanuna anyama biza bagaraka bakwata umupira biza bagubona aba district jimpa ya mitoma mweta jersey number 4 mukuru kumanyanka Kaborera Emmanuel Vechera goalkeeper Tanika Bonampora Davis. Kuria district Ibanda 1-1 Kiruhura goal emwe Ibanda goal emwe mu district okwe ya Ibanda atene mu district ya Ntunga mu Chamate bali 0-0 tero mupira Iran pass ni jumunonga jersey number 13 batambura Bonampora area line ompira bajang no gokshika akasiga jersey number 13 aba district ya Liberties Sakurumita usema John Bagarika basana mukumi Bashara mutanu ya line jersey number 6 Mwete Bako Gerard Jaza okora donke waka ba district jimpahi ya Mtoma Gerard Bako Mwanzana 6 o'clock Cheka umutu mpora Hayal West TV Beka Buda Sports Pasa Channel Bishatu Kagana Mkaga DSTV Akore Cup 5th edition Matereka ho Edwin Ainomujisha naza kushika mpira pora hali ya line John Zube Mugweri ubagumurechera emzana team ya Chigezi Homeboys kompira pora bagarika bateka mu mutu pora anuya chazena batopera na isana kushoza Mugisha Pan emzana chambura wa Stars hizo rasa now call Cheka mutu pora Zangu Mogoksha jersey number 3 Joby Mugweri na sana za kushopira natandika na John Ruby Mugweri kwa bateka mutwe jazena batu Davis mpira yona na tandikira Rwanda Mugisha plan Muzana Chambra Rastas just trying to waste time. You can with districts enyinjo mu group D Zazera awene zurusingo mupira Zazera homu singo mpira, so that's why aba district ya rubizi bageza kusisha chances batoreka John Ruby Mugweri anaza kushikaho umupira hano John Ruby Mugweri Mugweri John Ruby district ya Ibanda 1-1 vs Chiruhura, district ya Ntungamo 0-0 second half vs Shema. Chibachi Maisango Ntungamo mutakozishe mchayanye amasoko kwiga mu group stage A itaga vamache bafana now Iran crossing mpira mpora na Isana Sibroha bakarikana bakwata mpora Iran kera pasi n'umurongano ya touch na Jazena Bireven tera pasi n'umurongano bisamba garuka mbarura Okor Eric nagutunga Okor Eric Okor Chickens Homeboys FC player bachangu bamusika mukache bachangu bamusika Okor Eric, the first goal scorer of Ankara Cup. Okor Eric of course bamusana Rukubi bachangu no free kick bachangu no free kick aba district Jimpaya Misoma baturika John Ruby Mugweri Ikanga kazana team ka Arua Hilia Salomba City under Sadiq CPG crossing mpira it goes wide. What a lovely header from Anyama KCCA FC player. Haba district Jimpaya Mitoma misses a header. Anyama Emmanuel former Karukaru FC player Emmanuel Anyama Mbatijangu goalkeeper ya Tingam injury Namara Evaristo Jikangu ya yaje mzauksi shobwire Evaristo aine na yellow card. Jikangu aine na yellow card Evaristo Namara Evaristo aine na yellow card ya kasiga zika John Ruby Mugweri ka kozingo pira gwasanga Anyama of course kasheba mukura se Peter Chechi haiti rasa post Evaristo kacha tera side post. Tunajesha kusisa time. Wachijangu ni goal kick hapa district Jimpaya Rubizi so far 0-0. Sika 0-0. Rubizi 0 Mitoma. Goal kick mpora teka umutwe. John Ruby Mugweri former Arua Hill player, Chickens Homeboys player. Passing up pora jezi number 13 Edwin. Upano kuzana kusahili logo Jikangu so far intensity y'umupira ningashi amana kompira of course gachere so far chatire of course speed y'umupira niche takarebera counter attacks. The intensity of the game is low. Intensity niche, momentum niche, crossing y'umupira back chasing y'umupira pora chance number 11 Wetu mkuru kumanyanka Tanzania 14 master Sharamutanu ya master Tanzania number 16 Rubati Kwasingo mpira it goes wide Tanzania number 17 Wetu mkuru kumanyanka mateka chuma na machangu goru mzonjere mateka chuma tewe shana goru mzonjere mateka chuma but lovely strike though it went right batandika na Kaborera Emmanuel crossing mpira pora sana ronda ho Basina Andrew Peta Gubora bagarikana batekaho Kaborera Emmanuel bagarikana bakwata pora kacho now Kaborera Emmanuel na jatumuishe basana na mukubi mateka now Tanzania number 6 na Sharamutanu Tanzania number 6 na tambura Abako Gerard crossing mpira na Anyama teka pora now Mitoma pina counter attack Haria Ryan Mitoma now Tanzania number 15 Senchuma Plan bagarikana bagwiramu now Gerard Tanzania number 7 na Emmanuel Anyama na gwira pora Anyama midfield na passing mpira pora Bako Gerard Tanzania number 6 crossing mpira bagarikana bakwata John Ruby Mugweri Tanzania number 8 now Okor Eric Mbajangu bakwata mpira no gokshka Mbajangu mpira no gokshka intensity ya hizo mpira Bako Gerard na Okor Eric. Lovely school from Emmanuel Anyama wa district Jimpaha ya Mitoma Watijangu Negocha Okor brother John Ruby Mugweri from Arua Hill player kompira pora passing mpira Bako Gerard. Bako crossing mpira pora. Pesa Bakota. Oh, what a miss. What a miss. The goalkeeper is there. Of course, Antunga Manatunga Goro Kuanza Kwesangsa Chamate. Of course, some updates from Chamate. Tunga Manabisano Atewa Goro Yamo Yokubanza Kenneth Shema. Chwachi Maisang Shema so far. Maskopo Kulgom group stages, of course, and Gachendera so far 1-0 in the group of Ntungamo district. Update from Chamate so far 1-0 Ntungamo. My pride, my district. Ntungamo now leading Shema 1-0. Ikangu Bakagwa 0-0 aho ahari Rada Omuri Shema district aho Arkabuhe Bakagwa 0-0 but so far Ntungamo leading. Bisa mpira ni gushika batuleka Ainomicha Edwin Radakushika umupira Ainomicha Edwin. Update from Chamate 1-0 Ntungamo. Update from Ibanda 1-1 Ibanda Chirura. Chirura go emwe Ibanda go emwe. Ntungamo 1-0 Shema. Now Edwin crossing up pura bateka umutwe. Tatijangu tukareke tuzane Oko Eric na Shero Mutaria line. Let's wait and see. John Ruben Miguel, Sema Zariaran, Bagaraka Baza, Sema Z, now crossing on Sema Z, Najatumizambasha, Sema Z, crossing on Mopira, now Teka! It goes wide. Of course, Mateka, Nagaraka Nasi, Shampina Mateka Chuma, but good skill from Sema Z, good skill from rather Edson Ahebra. Tasena obtain Edson Ahebra, good skill. He found Mateka Juma well positioned, but he found it right. Mateka John Ruby Muberi, former Arwahir, former Barasita football player, crossing on Mupira Pura, Bagarkan Bakwata Mupira Bazamba Bajangu Chokha. Jobu Sigas a winner skill. Butam Kirkmaka Steven Jazana number 35 from winner 7. And then I send out Ahir Bajangu Nogoshka. Now me Toma Bajangu Misha. Patamupira Basina Andrew Basina. It goes over the bar. Basina Andrew. Jikangunomu Zanar is more progressive. Basina Andrew. Good striking from Basina. So far formation here 4-4-2. Babidi on midfield Mitoma Babida striking. About district here Mitoma, that is Basina Andrew. Na Anyama Emmanuel. That is formation here Mitoma 4-4-2. Babidi are striking. That is Basina Andrew and Emmanuel Anyama. Bagarkana Batata Mupura. Now Iran Haria Rai. Opa Bajangu Nogoshka. Now Okor Eric. And Kompira Pura. Now Edwin. Kompira Ria Rai. Bagarkaba take out chest. Opa Nogoshka. Agrechera Edwin. Ainumisha. Mitoma 0-0. Edwin Ainumisha. Natretamu Afro in Pura Bateka Mutwe. Basina Andrew. Kwatamu Omuto Iran. Bagarkana Kwatamu Heda. Posting Omupira Pura. Bagarkana Bakwatamu Tazen number 6. Bako Gerard. Bako. Crossing Omupira. Tazen number 13. Edwin. Kwatamu Pura. Kaborera Emmanuel. Heda. Kaborera Emmanuel. Versus Mateka. The goalkeeper there save. Davis. Now Iran. Bagarkana Bakwatamu Pura. Barunda Sema Z. Tazen number 13. Mete Sema Z. John. Of course, Izina Radio Rwanda, Sema Z John. Tabra Pura Bishop, Tazena by 18, crossing up Pianarunda Mateka, Riaran, Mateka. Bajango Piano Kushka. Piana Izana Smaku in the Logo Pira Rhino Pian Bajango Kushka. See. Mateka. Of course. Umupira na irikanga Ochom David Mateka ka speed kaba bora Mateka Juma Strong updates from Chamate. 4 minutes added. Let's wait and see. Can Mitoma capitalize from here? Can Mitoma correct a point against Rubirizi? Can Rubirizi correct a point from Mitoma? Let's wait and see. Batureka batezi barinjiwe muto Semas John. Aho Pachangu ompira bashika kubi. Oh my God. Pachangu taro sishobire, but I expect a 0-0 draw or a chorus draw. The Chambura Brassers trying to make magic, trying to do some magic here. Chambura Brassers player. Let's wait and see if they can help Rubirizi and a point from Mitoma. Okay. Win. Kisimo pura Mitoma Pachangu tine kuteba pura bagarika bakwata pura Okor Eric Shadow Mutanuya Okor Eric now Basina Andrew Anyama Shadow Mutanu Anyama Kisimo pura Basina na Okor Eric Baby bagarika baswaike mbaguyayo now Semas John na izana irukango pura na runda Kaborera Emmanuel bizamba musigaye Kaborera Martin na izana yompira Martin now Kaborera Emmanuel crossing on pura Pachangu no goksha Kaborera Emmanuel. Of course na Agaba Martin. Bachiza kupata ninga pura mu defense by yellow card Semas John. Tazena number 13 bamutera yellow card. Semas John na chati taro kunyo besa referee. Tazena number 13 Semas John. Of course bamutera yellow card. Bamutera yellow card aba district ya Rubirizi. Semas John Matijangu goal kick, of course, and they are district here Mitoma Davis. Crossing on pura Seka Homute, Bagarkan Bakata Mukache, Tazena Mireven, Bako, Pachangu no Goshka, Magasigas Kanasasa Chris, Tazena Mireven, Batero Guhomuru, Pia Notera or Homuruguto. Tumanza tumelemeda chikakasha anju throw in batarika pura John rather Edwin bagarika pakata pura Rubirizi now Iran bagarika bagumiwa Iran crossing on pair Semas John Semazi Pachangu are offside. Semas John was offside again. Bofena Jatu was offside. Semazi Zina Nedi Uganda don't mind about the name. Mukanda Semas John Ruben Mukwere from Arahi crossing on pura Anyama take out Mutu Anyama now Okor Eric crossing on Pira Pasina Kisabagarkan by the Fenica College Morongamu just number 35 Kumanyaka Bamina Steven because he are clearing up in Pira Batoreka Okor Eric Astamruaga Techa now Mateka that's one Piranuya Basina Andrew crossing over pura now Stephen 2 Rubirizi on a point from Batitandara playground. Of course Batoreka center referee Hamnajata need protection. Of course Harmu Abajangu Absharamanchoro Sharamanchoro referee of course Akapira Akasharaja center referee 0-0 updates from Chamate and Chingama goal Emwe Shema 0 update Seka Jugo Elvis Akasigas Kachase number 10 Sheka Jugo Elvis of course there at the time Akazuri Jase number 10 Seka Jugo Elvis of course ya Tumera district and Chingamo. Of course, Farebaho, our district area, Ashema. Of course, so far, second half, we shall give you all the updates from Tungamo. Zakuba tukereza updates kuruga district agent power area Tungamo tuwekesi full time. Tungamo neza ku aninga points ninga nemeka yeno. Even waja kureba district area Ibanda, yukangu Ibanda. Omuzano twagarika twarebaho. Goal yo kubanza group stage chabo. So far, goal Ibanda bino goal Then district area Achurana bubino goal Erpingana Of course, updates as I collect happen to give them Pura so far to the Adwa Standard. Amen. Stadium Mitoma 0-0. That is Uncle Cap. Turebere izobere anyuma zo. Turebere mu emzano etari emereme of course. Emzano biro myinje munonga izobere anyuma zo. Turebere ho district ya Kashari. Abasina district ya Isingiro. God eme omrusha. Omukuru orikumanyanka. Ipa turebere omukuru orikumanyanka Habats. Arukiteba gor ejompaho owa express aturebera kuteba gor ejompaho then tugarikira tareba team ya Mbarara City Pasingaho district ya Rampara Girls ezikingana ishati omuri 0 amusigaza Daviko Clinton Kamugisha of course abasekwana ateba goals ezikingana ibiri of course abasekwana ateba goals of course abasekwana ateba goals ezikingana ibiri Daviko Clinton Kamugisha Aluteba timu ya Mbarara City even to Garcia Tareba Gerard Ogwet Aluteba Gor Edejo so far 0-0 district AM na district AM Batoreka Honorable Arthur Kazora of course and team Bajaza Batoreka by Banaksha of course they are celebrating a win celebrating a win About district AM Mitoma they are celebrating a win Another city Mitoma but celebrating a win na Honorable Arthur Kazora Yukangu Honorable Arthur Kazora of course this city Mitoma full time so far no ame ababembire group a stage ejimpaha which means a group day Beckham the sports master tayari WCV of course ejini team ya Honorable Arthur Kazora bwanyuma yokora draw that district ARBZ Escrofa Nature Anchor Cup alive on Tayari WCV. Of course, it's Zakuban tuganira ati Honorable abasigazi abazani ba district ya Mitomo bateriro sente burumuzano na ba missing na sente emitwaro 50 burari kuteba gol turebere nzitwarwa Onre Oko Eric owatebere gol emeyo kanya munegere mukisinga district ya Bwejo tugire okwereza team motivation nico kiburize gol omutima kushanga ngo burumuzani ninyendanye tebere mpangure ezisen
ye bari banonga abampurikize yenda kubagambira amazina none ari bakazora fateka emitwaro 50 uratebe gora kandi obutwabire turi Mitoma nkanye beriro kisho na bwisho kandi abantu kubarebere nkazora roho egora baziteba kandi sente bazifuna cyabe cyo mu gishambi ogwarubizi nkamferirwe tatazara tunazaho abantu abana babura muraro batera gora yenshuma kandi ari izoba ukurga Kampala nkakererwa n'abana babataka kimanyire ngundya hati egispeed yuarebe ya muheru babarebere nkazora tahiremu kandi ari izoba erizobe gora twatujongize erizobe gora twatutinga kakadeke sente nambwe nturaganisa konka nobura abatateba ninyenda nargaha abazana mu ya Mitoma nabwe mbabugane nabo mbagurure musoda abwo kuba batwereka spirit ya man Honorable ni kuragana sabo n'abaturikize n'abari kutureba ungu ece kikopo cya Nkore region ece kikopo nikiza kutwarwa ba Mitoma abwo kuba twine potential hati timwe zinde zitwasigazayo ntuza kuba ntuzitera mukaga
Gale of course abanyenje achaye of course abagize benji kandi twagumiza muno kwengeza Honorable omukuru kumaka Honorable Arthur Kazora aba district ya Mitoma banyuma yokora 0-0 na district Jimpa ARBZ Honorable so far district ya Mitoma bebembera ekibinja echa group D na nobonero buna just abwa goal difference tugirengu age form negumiza mpaka nturuga group stages aba motivation
echecho twazagamba n'abazani bitu cyabasikaburumo nahereze gamba na Honorable Tom Tayebwa munywani wanje kandi wariyo munsi zaheru yangira ngo abana ko nakahambagambire ngo tuza gukora cyone cyo kubasika turebuke kandi nyine ona rebo cyarempwe nyine Karitundu nyine General Kahinda ntwenda kubaraganisa ngo ababuhwejo hata buturiyo ntuza kubugana ntwenda tubatere gol z'umunana takete yitu tayo kurwa mu kibinja takete yitu no kuranga twatware shikopo cha Ankole region mwebare
okay honorable Arthur Kazora abwenshonga zechai of course wanturebaho bumwe ombyateganisa district ya Mitoma nenshonga echai kushanga omupira nuguzaheru gumara some minutes gutakatahire mu chai of course narumu echa time wastage numuranga cyo go kuterera government na munonga ashonga echai na no kushanga Tino Regional Stadium inka Ankole kushanga Tino Regional Stadium recognized
mwebare munonga kandi irikwatirine nebyo muzano nkato kumwahika rwa kitandara echeje kishayi maheza twaheza kuchara tukachuguredinga tukachombeka nikibasa kuba nikihitana namburi mbweni ntwija kutero muranga government yane ronda echaye cherayombeke sofa omuri Mitoma twine echaye chamayanga seed school. It is the best in the region hati na nechintu enda bachikore na nebindi ebishayi biza standard abana bitu batero mpira ogwomerembe konkabine aho kuzanira wenu.
Honorable final remarks ezo kuwasa kusindikira amarebe wa Tayari West TV amunangwana no muhajizi wa district ya Mitoma.
Nyenda kure ku abari kureba Tayari West ntwenda kubasimira right honorable Tom Tayobwa abwo kutekamwe MBM akabitekamo akasente kandi akabitekamo na spirit kandi no kunda ihanga ryeye abwo kuba ukuranko mpira ngo gwa Mitoma dakika y'Rwanda goherebwa ihanga ryona na nensi yona nikiretera abana bitu n'abantu bareba skills zabo babasa kubagura omukatare kaheru kandi twija kufuna abazani abari kwija kubana bashambira akasente webare munonga ntwebaza right ntwebaza ba MP z'abandi bankore regional bwo supporting go mpira kandi turukuza kurekera ahantu tuzakongeramo akasente nambwe n'abatayari cyancenda mufune mu cyasoda cyango.
Okay, no right honorable Arthur Kazora of course ayabasa kuba natereza yo closing remarks of course achai echipa echa Rwatandala Asteria of course tukumiza munoganiraho na benji tune ba coaches kurga omunkambi ya Mitoma even tune ba coaches kurga omunkambi ya Lubirizi of course tuzakuba tuganiraho nabo bora tubase kuba turenjeza turebe niki echabateza omuzano niki echatumashaka of course twatakutorize kuntuza kuleta a few moments later of course tuganiraho omuzano ningashi post match analysis of course tuzakuba tuganira coach tugirengu niki echatambura kubi ankambi of course warga waturaganisa win of course byatamburaje omuchayi tugirengu niki echimitoma yabasinga performingaho omudakika 9
ati noreba niyenda kumanza kusima mukama ruhanga ayabasa kumatuma riso mpira kandi twe nabana bitu bakozere bahurire batine yinjari echo ntani se kiriho echamani omupira wori visiting team nano osubira nari kukora draw wini nebegumire munonga akutayaya so butwafuna draw nicho kigendera kitu nora twantusamba defensive munonga tutakubasa kukora ki kurumba twa parking abantu batano yi mukaga omu defense kuremesa abasaba ko twatakinga munonga
tugirengu omuzano gumwe ogumwe asagazayo na district ya Rubirizi rather na district ya Buzo kabatera goals 2-0 on first match yanyu so far mwasigaza omuzano gumwe kusigaza amasiko ganyu go kuguma omukikope cya Ankole Cup ninga shibukanga mukorektingire only 4 points kurga district ejimpa ya Mitoma tugirengu omuzano gwasigarayo no gubayiriza momentum yo kuprogressinga mukaza omukota finals.
Niyenda kubanza kusima abantu batayari niyenda kumanyisa ngo omuzano gumo gwasigarayo niyenda kubakakasa abantu babukwejo nugo mpiro gukurata abantu ba Mitoma echo kubanza mwize mutwagiri tubayambe tubaterere jibukwejo erugeho mpira for the record yitu inebunye nkarubirizi nkabunyaruguru tine time rizire ekatusingira nkai ejo record kujikipinga kuja mteka kutera bwezu tubateka kubatera bwezu mbese abantu bankai bantunga abantu ba Mitoma abako abantu ba Mitoma twine kwatanisa nabo munonga n'abantu bitu so ntuzakubaterera Mitoma ntuzakubaterera bwezu ahasigara mufafagane mufafagane no kugenda bwezu mukiya yakabone.
Okay kansubire ngitubarazani sandike ogwenu coach member coach ba district ya Rubirizi nebyenje butora base kubantu tuganira nabandi maybe tuzakomeza tweyongeza abakochezi batara bamwe of course abagenyi twine benja butarabase kuba tuganira nabo abonshonga yobwire maybe tayari of course aturi omu district ejimpaye ya Mitoma Rwa Standard Stadium of course tukwisiyayo omuzano full time 0-0 then updates from other districts tugamo twariho muskuru kumaka Elvis arukuteba goal emwe kanya manager bakutera ho district ya Shema then omu district ya Ibanda twariho omuzano mu cheka cha kabiri nasiga 0-0 dokusiga rather goal MRM bakusana na district ya Churura tuzagumiza mutwongera updates izobera nyincha kare tekaho HICB muzano shamwe nda 10 tubase kubantu kwisiyayo BNG for now Beckham the sports master I sign up.